It's literally easiest game of my life. I just want the viewership. I just want the XP in game.
Kaya, do you wanna fucking die?
Okay. I'm doing much better this time. I just need to get to 30. 30. I better gain like 10,000 viewers from this. No! Oh god, these skinny ones are so difficult. Okay, lock in. Oh, they're all skinny ones now. Oh, never mind, they're not. Okay. I was pretty good at Flappy Bird back in the day. I just have to really lock in. Okay, these ones are kind. At least. Okay, the next ones are less kind. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay, 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more. 10 more.
How many times do I have to fucking tell you, Kaya?
10 more. 5 more. 5 more.
Sit or I'm going to kill you.
Okay. Okay.
Kaya, please stop it.
We did it! Yes! Wait, we only get 25 from that? 600! Let's go! It was worth it. It was worth it. Okay. I'm not playing anymore. Nice! Okay, we did it. Let's go get our bad headset. Yo, what is this? Oh god.
I know for a fact I'm not gonna go to jail. Not one day in jail.
Crazy how every MF fights for Twinge to have more consistency but go quiet when their friends are in hot water. Nice consistency, bro. I'll kill you all. What? Wait, he's talking like me. No shot. What happened to you?
Yo, bruh, the hell did you do?
No.
I was terrorizing these Japanese people in here, bro. What? Who fucking cares?
What? Why?
But why?
Why?
For money? For clout? I've said it 100 times. I don't give a fuck. I'm a sociopath. Put this in your next video essay. I don't give a fuck.
Damn, so like, doing this shit get you a lot of views?
Yeah, I'll do whatever the fuck I want. Makes you people talk about me. I don't give a fuck.
No,
I'll be
absolutely
racist.
not.
I'll disrespect your fuck ass cultures. Come do something about it, bitch.
Nice.
Nice is crazy. Wait, so
I know for a fact I'm not gonna go to jail. Not one day
terrorize
in
the
jail.
sushi? I can't do that. I can't do that. I'm gonna get banned. Get chat to donate through MediaShare. I'm gonna get them to play loud music. Chat, get in here. MediaShare and TTS is on. We're scaring the shit out of them. No! Oh my god, the Brian!
Yo, okay. How many likes for a stream together?
Like, a full-ass stream? You must be tripping, lil pup.
Oh my god.
Come on, dude. A segment at least. How many likes?
100 million.
Alright, 100 million likes and 10 million comments, and we can do a stream together.
I bet, bro. I'll be back.
There's no fucking shot you get that, bro.
Good luck.
Guys, check out my latest seat. I just ratioed stable Jerome.
Oh god, this is so bad. What I have to do, just... Okay.
Hey, take my order. I want some food.
Why do you say it like that? I want some food.
Welcome, sir. We have a very special sashimi and nigiri
Who did they hire? Who did they hire to voice this man? Oh my god, I have to private this VOD. This is unacceptable. My sanity's going down. I'm at 7 sanity in game and in real life. I'm coping so hard right now.
Bro, what the fuck did you just call me? No wonder Donnie trashed this place.
What? He didn't call me anything. What?
I do not understand. Would you like to order something?
Let's get a sushi roll.
Yo, just give me something easy, like the rolls or whatever. Yeah, a tuna roll.
Yes, sir. One tuna roll. Here you go, sir. Please enjoy.
I'm not gonna spit it out. That's so
Are you
rude.
taking the fucking piss, mate? You're trying to poison me. It's fucking raw.
Cringe! Stop! It's so cringe! It's fucking raw!
Yes, sir. That is how it is served. It is raw fish.
You're a chef. Fucking cook, you donkey. You think cutting up raw fish and slapping it on a plate is food? Fucking amateur, mate.
fucking.
Sir, please be quiet. You are being a very big disturbance.
This is so mean. Can we just... What do we do?
Yeah, no, this tastes like shit. Also, this green shit is fucking cheeks. Are you trying to poison me? Just give me some chicken tendies,
He's
bro.
so pathetic.
That is wasabi, sir. Okay, so you want
Wait, chicken
karaage.
karaage. I'm pretty sure that's good.
Here you go, sir. Please enjoy.
Ask for ketchup. Ask for ranch.
Bro, fuck is this cum-colored piss sauce? I eat my tendies with ranch. Get this shit out of here.
Stop.
Sir, that is our spicy
Try
Japanese
it.
mayo sauce.
Try it,
Very
Kaden,
good,
please.
Very authentic. You must have it with
It's
this
so
sauce.
good. It's so good. Chicken karaage with spicy, sweet, like Japanese mayo. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Nah,
it's
fuck
so
that
good.
shit. You're in America. You're gonna serve it with American shit, weird ass cum eater.
Stop!
Sir, you are being very loud disturbance. Very disrespectful. I will ask you to leave.
Whatever, I don't give a fuck, bro. Shit tastes like donkey dick
Stop.
anyway. I could get better food at Wendy's for like a third of the price.
Wendy's. We're awful.
Chat, type 1 if...
Rah. Okay, I got her. Two more. Rah. One more. Boom.
You can't arrest me for this shit, bro. This is a free country.
Wait. Did that not count as terrorizing the sushi restaurant? Wait, I have to talk to the people. Wait, I gained all that notoriety for nothing. I was just eating food for no reason. I am going insane. I didn't grind to deal with this. I'm done. Okay. No crashing out. We're okay. We can be stable.
Hey, fine shit. You Japanese?
No!
Yeah, but
Yo, so where's your schoolgirl outfit? You don't really look as kawaii.
dude, what? What are you talking about?
No.
Anyway,
No.
why the fuck you sitting down? Aren't you supposed to be up and serving me in a made-up...
Bro, what the hell is wrong with you?
Okay, that counts.
Yes?
Ni hao, fat ass. How's my Japanese, bro?
That's really funny.
That was Chinese, not Japanese. I'm Japanese.
Ask for language
Anyway,
lessons.
since you're such an expert in languages and shit, give me a Japanese lesson, sensei.
Sensei,
I really am not in the mood, dude. Get that drone out of my face.
where the hoes at? No, let's ask about
So do all
anime.
you Japanese guys watch freaking anime and shit?
Oh no.
I ain't about that. I'm trying to see that adult shit. Where the hentai section at? Cocky want boing boing.
Bro, you're being mad disrespectful right now. Can you fuck off?
Okay, that's enough. We're done. Brentley Somali. No.
Hey, stop
Oh
right
god,
there.
who's us? Who's us?
Yeah, busted, buddy. You came here to meet an underage boy, you sick fuck.
What? Who's this guy? What? Confused? I'm confused.
The hell you talking about, bruh? I'm pretty much like 15 myself.
Nice try, sicko. Man, fucking hold me back. I'm gonna kick this guy's head in.
Why?
We know you're trying to meet up with a kid. Where is he though? What'd you do to our actor?
Your actor. Let's make a joke. I
He's
don't know
next
what's
to the
going
stroma.
on. The stroma.
What? What's a stroma?
Stroke my dick and eat my nut, bro. Got him, Chad.
What? We got the wrong guy. Shit. Bro, where do you say the guy was? Bro, he ran. He freaking got away. Shit, man.
We're gonna get him.
You just made us lose one.
I need to recover my sanity and my reputation. Let's help. Let's ask.
So, what you guys doing?
We catch predators, bro. We were about to catch one trying to meet up with our kid actor.
Let's help.
So you guys pedo hunting? I can help. On God, I could give you the name of one. I canceled his ass at
Oh
TwingeCon.
my god.
You look pretty young, dude. You be our bait? I don't know where the hell our actor ran off to, and we need to catch someone for today's stream.
Down, bruh. This shit's gonna be content.
It is gonna be content though, Heike.
Alright, go flirt with some dudes and see if any of them are DTF. Give us the signal and we'll
We gotta go flirt with random guys. Let's go. Okay. Caden Bailey. Stupid ass chat. Keep telling me not to read. How about I dox you? Okay. Let's go get our headset mic.
Hello,
Hey.
welcome to Max Electronics. Help you find something?
Headset mic,
Yo, bro, I
please.
need a headset with the shittiest mic on the market. I need my voice to sound like it's in a toilet type shit.
Hell yeah.
There's a few options we could look into. Any other preferences for the headset?
Breaks easily would be funny, I think. Or just bad audio quality.
Yeah, let me get something with the worst possible audio quality too. I want to be hearing static all day.
Oh no, that's not good. I should have chosen breaks fast. Breaks easily.
Ah, you're looking for something from Logitech then. We got
Look!
plenty of those in stock.
No way. No way this game just slandered Logitech. That no way.
Here you go, the Logitech G935.
$100 for a bad headset? Wait, can we choose something
Hello,
different?
welcome to Max Electronics.
Yo, bro,
Okay,
I need a
okay.
headset with the
Okay, breaks
Yeah,
easily.
let me get something that breaks within a year. Bonus if it's broken right out of the package.
Hell yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is quality right here.
Ah, you're looking for something from Logitech then.
Again?
We got plenty of those in stock. Here you go, the Logitech G935.
Oh, it's the same either way.
Oh, it's overpriced too? Perfect, just what I wanted. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy. I've left it right there at the end of the checkout stand.
There he
Thanks.
is.
Oh my god, I'm so...
Disgusting.
I look so
Hey,
cool.
you're fucking annoying.
Yeah, I get you, bro. My aura's overwhelming right now. You can probably feel
You
it.
don't get it. I'm just so imposing, and you'll never understand what it's like.
No, I always see you under people's posts advertising your stream. You're fucking annoying.
I don't do that though. I don't need to do that. I'm a god
Oh, that's
streamer.
my friend Gerard. He reply guys for me while I'm streaming.
Oh, mog him.
Anyway, you know me, so it's working. You mad, bitch?
I don't fucking care.
I'll be nonchalant.
I don't really care that you don't care.
You will, asshole. Once I start putting your chat to sleep with Wikipedia.
Wait, he's gonna start copy pasting paragraphs from Wikipedia into chat? But I can just ban him. I don't understand. What do we do? Do we call his bluff or do we stop him? What do we do? Accept it?
Sure, bro. Go for it.
We'll just ban him.
Born on 28th of June 1491 at
Oh
the
my
Palace of
God.
Placentia in Greenwich, Kent,
The-
Henry Tudor
Oh, he's
was the
saying
third
it out
child
loud.
and second son of
No!
King Henry VII and Elizabeth of York.
They made him look like a Redditor too.
Yo, stop it, dude. I'm losing viewers.
Of the young Henry's 6 siblings, only 3, his brother Arthur, Prince of Wales, and sister Margaret and Mary, survived infancy.
Beg him to stop!
Please, dude. Get away from me.
He was baptized by Richard Fox, the bishop. Okay, I've done enough damage. I hate you so much. Have a horrible day.
I hate you. I hate you. You suck. Brain rot books. Who's this guy? Who's Gavin? Okay. I want... Oh no, I'm going insane again. I'm at 1 sanity. What do I do? Okay. Chad, I know I overreact sometimes working on myself and shit. Yo!
Oh yeah, this guy for real looks like a predator.
Why are you judging based off looks?
What? I didn't hear you. Sorry, I had my earbuds in.
Ask about video games.
Yeah,
help
you know where
finding
I can
stuff.
find some... what do kids need? School supplies? Like coloring books and shit?
Oh god.
Coloring books? Maybe the bookstore over there has some, but I doubt it.
What do we do? Do I bait him? Oh god, do I bait him? Jesus. Dude.
How you know that, huh? Interested in a lot of kid stuff?
Oh no.
I have kids myself, but I don't shop here. Just checking out the mall before the grand opening.
I don't think it's him. I don't think it's
Alright, bro,
him.
never mind. You seem innocent. Yo, Vicali! This guy's clean.
Okay.
Got you, pal. You think you can go around trying
Wait,
to
this
get with
guy's
little
clean.
kids, you sick fuck?
Wait.
Ah! But
Fuck yeah, dude. Thanks for helping us. Really needed an excuse to kick someone's ass today. That felt good.
okay. We need to go back to our lesson in the meantime. Okay, I got the headset. I'm ready.
Mr. Brentley, purchase the lowest.
Yo, bruh, I got the headset. What do I do now?
Tell me.
Please go to the testing station in the corner, plug in the mic, and scream as loud as you can.
Down.
The machine will grade your effort.
Sounds good. I've literally been practicing for 2 years. I can do it. Rip Ears Incorporated. Okay. Okay. Beta ass scream. Ah!
Good shot.
Wait. One more. I can do this. No, I lost viewers. I failed the exam.
Welcome back, class. I received your
Incoming.
test scores.
Oh,
and
incoming. It's
most
not
of you did
incorporated.
well. All
I'm so embarrassing.
except
It's okay.
one. I shall not name names, but quite disappointing indeed.
Crash out.
Man, fuck that rigged ass test. I'm good at school and shit. Stupid ass teacher only gives Ace to teachers' pets, dead ass.
Dead ass.
Mr. Brentley, may I direct your attention to the aura you're losing right now? Silence, or I will not hesitate to
I don't
fail
lose
you.
aura. I literally never lose aura. What are you talking about?
Let us begin Unit 2, Intro to Networking. You may believe your success is dependent on only yourself, but believe me, none of you will succeed without these strategies.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you at all.
taking the VOD test for a 3rd time.
What? That's so messed up. That's so mean. I literally tapped out.
Fam, I think I signed up for the wrong class. I'm trying to learn about streaming, not how to set up my internet and shit. I already got fiber.
I'm also on Wi-Fi.
This isn't an Amogus lobby,
Ew.
Mr. Brentley. Not every moment has to be about you and what witless joke you can make.
But you're not teaching us anything valuable.
Anyway, let's get some vocab out of the way. Can anyone define leeching?
Using people.
Yeah, it means using bigger streamers to climb the ladder.
Wrong!
What?
Leeching has no definition. To you, leeching will no longer hold a place in your vocabulary. You'll forget you even heard it because you are networking.
He's
not
teaching us to
leeching.
leech. He literally wants us to leech. Unbelievable. Ask a toxic
So
question.
who'd you leech off of to get big, bruh? Kai Cenat?
Oh!
I ain't leech off nobody. Shut your ass up. Anyway, excuse me.
voice went
The
so
term is
high.
networking.
He sounded
not
like
leeching.
me for a
Are
second.
you paying attention, Mr. Brentley?
Yeah.
Anyway, the basics. First tier of networking is the at strat. This is when you at bigger streamers and rage
Wait,
bait
people do
or
this?
reply guy in the hopes of getting a like, reply, or repost.
Wait, this is a thing? You don't get it.
So I should at Digimane saying that she should stream Amogus or something?
No, since she's bigger, you must rage bait. You need to at her and tell her that she shouldn't be acting like an uwu girl as a grown-ass 30-year-old woman. That will get her attention. However, if you really want to make it, you must be more ambitious than that. The second tier of networking is stream sniping. Can
Okay,
anyone
this I
define
know
this?
what it is. Going on someone's stream.
Yeah, it's finding someone in-game or IRL and making it about you.
Perfect. With emphasis on making it about you. Once you're on stream, you must make both the streamer and chat want you.
Ask for an example.
Any examples of successful leech networkers, bruh?
Did you ever hear the tragedy of Greek Lord X the Wise? It's not a story they would tell you. He was a networker, so
What?
powerful and so wise that he rivaled even his own master.
I don't know what this means. Ooh.
Unfortunately, with his weight loss, he couldn't stay funny enough to keep his viewers. What's the lesson here?
Wait, who is this referencing? Yeah, I don't know this person. What did he do? He lost weight and he lost aura from losing weight. How's that possible? To stay fat. The lesson is to stay fat.
That you gotta stay fat to stay funny. Shit, man, Gerard was trying to roast me for getting a little slim thick. Bro didn't know shit.
Class, can someone else start answering questions? Now, the third tier of networking
So
it is
easy.
rather counterintuitive. Let's say you're the big streamer and someone tries to steal your spotlight. What do you do?
Cut them off? I don't know.
I'd straight up tell him to fuck off, bruh.
Wrong!
Oh,
When streamers make
okay.
it big, they continue networking with even bigger ones. But they also do a strategic bilateral networking maneuver.
Okay.
Strategic bilateral networking maneuver. What do you think that
What
means?
the what? What? Okay. Swinging both ways sexually. I would know because I'm bilateral. Bisexual, sorry.
Bilateral? I only like girls, bro. This is getting weird.
Let's take Ditskit, for example. He used people to climb the ladder, but how does he continue growing? He puts girls on stream who are trying to use him too.
I don't get it.
I don't get it, bruh. How am I gonna get views if they steal in mine?
Networking is not a zero-sum game. When you let other people use you, you both get benefits. Don't be afraid of the networkers. Allow them to do the work for you.
Fascinating.
Let's test your understanding with our next exam. Write down your best at attempt on the blackboard and send it on Zitter.
No way.
Afterward, pair up with a classmate and use your skills in a role-playing networking scenario.
Oh god, okay. Caden Bretley, #1 leech NA. Okay. No! No! Every cuck staff, I'm sorry, Twitch staff. I'm sorry. Okay. Network by adding a bigger streamer. Got it. Damn, bruh. At halal bees. What's he gonna rate? Legs were looking huge. Caden doesn't get it. He's just flirting with him. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I'm so bad at this. I'm so awful. Okay, well, we gotta use our networking skills now, right?
Oh, I get it.
Okay.
This class is so interesting, man.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, you trying to partner up for the test? We gotta do some stupid RP shit.
Yeah, sure, I'm down. I don't really have any friends here, so I'm glad you asked.
He's so nice.
Don't get weird about it, little bro. You're just the only other student. Anyway, how do we do this?
So let's pretend I'm a big streamer in a Valorant lobby or
Valorant?
something. You get queued up with me. Let's start there.
Okay, scream.
Why is no one talking in this fucking lobby? Anyone got a fucking mic?
Typical COD lobby.
Yo, chat, who the fuck is this?
Yo, he knows how to do it. Keep screaming.
Oh, no one's here? Guess I can just start jumping off and no one would know. Here I go.
No!
Yo, what's up, dude?
Keep up the bit.
Oh, thank God there's someone here. I thought I was gonna have to goon alone.
Bro, who are you?
Stay
I'm your fucking
anonymous.
carry, bro. This game's already over.
Sick, man. I'm Stray's TTV, by the way. I'm live right now. All right, the game is about to start.
Do we start feeding and lose intentionally? I want to feed.
Fuck my life, bro. I'm 0-12. All good. This is just warm-up. These guys also aim button on
On God.
I think you just fucking suck, bro. Anyway, I'm hopping off. GG's.
Tell him you're a streamer.
Yo, by the way, I'm actually a streamer. Name's Caden Brentley. Can I get a host?
Yeah, I guess I could host you this once. All right, and scene. You start off good, but then you fed, which makes them not want to play again with you. You got the host, though.
Thanks.
I'm gonna
I
give you
saved
a B+
it at
on
the
that
end.
run.
Thank
Almost
you.
there, but not perfect.
Appreciate it.
Welcome back, class. We shall now continue with the final unit of the standard course,
Oh,
theater
God.
and drama.
This is so
In
boring.
streaming and in literature, we have what are known as archetypes. Mr. Brentley, our most participatory student, can you tell me what an archetype is?
Bro, Caden does not know what the word archetype means. He can't even pronounce that shit.
Archetype. That's the people who draw buildings and shit, right?
Archetypes are blueprints for streamers. You, for instance, are the archetypical trickster. You mock and deceive to further your own goals at any cost.
I don't
That
agree
ain't my
with
blueprint,
that.
bruh. I ain't no clown. I'm the main fucking character. What's that called?
You think you're the hero type. Trust me, you aren't him.
I'm not him. No, my entire chat's telling me I'm not him.
Knowing your archetype and the archetype of your fellow
With the
streamers
cloud
helps you know
emoji.
who best to network with and who will help you craft the most compelling stories.
Okay. Can I change? Wait, what are my matches? What are my
Who's a
matches?
good match for my archetype or whatever, bruh?
Archetype.
For you, I'd recommend starting drama with the Saint and a battle of good and evil. They represent wholesomeness. At least that's the image they craft. It's all performance.
Oh, it's all performance shot.
Allow me to pivot though, Mr. Brentley. What is your favorite drama in twin history?
No, I can't answer this. Wait, actually, I can't answer this. I don't know about any of these. I like Train.
Ditz and Domi, bruh. Ditz was all like, ban gambling from Twinge. And then he started doing gambling sponsors.
It was fire drama indeed. However, it was all manufactured.
No way.
Those
it was all
two
fake.
consulted with our academy writers to write a full screenplay of what you saw.
No, it's all fake.
Who else have you wrote scripts for?
Virtually every big drama you've ever watched. Theater is an art, and streamers are not creative people. That's why they need people like us to teach. Go figure.
Gross.
Act 1, the exposition.
No,
Here you
I don't
establish a
want to do this.
believable,
It's so
petty disagreement
boring.
from which the drama will unfold. Mr. Brentley, give an example, please.
Disagreeing over GPUs. What is this?
Arguing with someone and telling them that NVIDIA mogs on their AMT chud asses.
That may be petty and trivial, yes, but not major
He's
enough.
trolling,
No
chat.
one will believe this is worthy of dramatic escalation.
No.
The viewer must
I think it's a
believe
big
it.
deal.
Next, Act 2, rising action and public escalation. This is when you milk the content. React to each other's clips. Make videos about it. Do it all in the public eye.
That's
How do I do that good though, bruh?
Many elements of theater can also be applied to streaming. Make your viewers theorize why you and the streamer keep sub-zeeting each other without ever making it clear. Now, Act 3, Climax and Catharsis. You may keep the audience on the edge for weeks, but eventually they deserve an emotional release.
Like an apology video. Or like a scene where I go and find them in real life and beat them up. Like on camera, IRL. Right?
Oh, alright. So I'm trying to give them their nut.
It's the grand culmination of the drama. Calling your stage partner live on stream, dropping a nuke about them, or staging a fight, these all deliver the long-desired climax.
This just sounds like gooning.
It's time for our final exam in the standard course. Partner up with a stage...
Okay, we're gonna act.
This class is so interesting, man.
Yo, big dog.
Just let me
trying to
complete
do this drama
this,
RP
please.
together?
Sure, man. Let's do it by the book and pick our archetypes. I'll be, a siren. Like a seducer.
Okay, then I'll be the fool.
I'll play a dumbass you can take advantage of. I'll start. Yo, Sammy, stop calling me on stream. Let's just get the breakup over with. It's over.
No, Felix. We're married technically. I deserve half your money.
Fuck no, dude. Chat, she's saying we're married and shit. I never fucking married her, dude.
Oh, also, I sold your McLaren.
That was my fucking car, dude. You can't do that. You're gonna hear from my lawyers, dude.
I don't want to break up anymore, actually. Come over. I miss you.
Okay, I'm coming.
See, chat? He's all cuddled up to me. He's been lying to you this whole time about us being over. All right, and scene. Nice, bro. I feel like we really sold that. Lots of scripted leaks and legal shit for them to eat up. Shreddit would go crazy for weeks. Giving you an A+ on that one, bro. You ate that shit up.
Thank you, Queen. Yes, I did.
I overheard your play, Mr. Brentley. Quite on the mark.
Thank you.
I must say, congratulations
Thank
on
you. I
finishing
did my best.
the course.
Thank you so much.
As proof of taking this course, I offer
Boom.
you this certificate of completion in live streaming foundations.
Thank you,
So
chat.
blessed, bruh. I want to thank my chat for believing in me. I knew I could pass this college shit.
This college shit.
And that's not all, Mr. Brentley. As your parting gift, I will offer you either knowledge or services to assist you in your streaming career.
Thank you, Deontay.
Which specialization would you like to adopt
Ooh.
to support your professional career
Ooh,
as
you
a
got a
streamer?
permanent buff. Earn a one-time bump of 1,500 plus 5 viewers from all sources. Oh, I don't need handouts. I want handouts. 10% less notoriety from controversial actions, or 5% perma boost. I think 5% perma boost is pretty good. I'm taking a handout. What do you mean? I want a stat boost. I think 2 might be good, but I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? So botting? 2, okay.
This grind is hoeing my ass right now, bruh. Help me get viewers faster.
Very well. We will instruct the child labor forces kept beneath the AMP house to clip your content and post it on Shredder.
No way. No way.
Hey, dope. Thanks, Unc.
Thanks,
So what
Unc.
now? Can I take the premium shit?
Unfortunately, your viewer base is not yet high enough. Not enough clout. Please do come back when it is, though, to enroll in our course tailored for larger streamers.
Thank you. I'll take it. Do I get viewers from that? Nice! Wait, we made it. We made it, but I don't want to go back there for now. I want to do some different things.
Alright, bye guys. I'm turning stream off.
Ooh, can we play a Twinge song? Oh god, I'm going crazy again. Lock in. Ooh. Okay, let's play some music. What do we do? What is this song? I don't know what this. Ooh. Yippee! Cool, I got viewers from that. Are there more? The right version. Oh my god, it's so easy. I'm just farming viewers. I don't know these songs though. Are these actually like Twitch songs? Out of context. Huh. Oh, hi. If I make a single mistake, I lose 100 viewers. Oh my god. Okay, do I have to start again? Wait. Lock in. Lock in. Okay, okay. Da 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 da. Cool. Okay, I guess we may as well farm it. Okay, okay, lock in. Yo! Bars. This should help recover my sanity. Where's my sanity recovery? Yo, drums? Oh, my bad. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. Wait, only... Oh, God. Done. You guys just piss me off for real sometimes. I feel that too. You guys do that to me. Okay. Yippee! We're just farming. Okay, what about this? Ooh, I'm just a schemer. Bum bum ba da 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 da. I don't know any of these. I genuinely don't know a single one of these songs. What is that? Okay, okay, I got this. Oh.
I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say
Oh! Oh, this is a vibe. Dun 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 dun. What's up?
Hello, can I help you find something?
Tell him he's useless.
Bruh, why you running a music shop? You don't need all this. I've been using AI to make songs in 5 minutes from typing in a prompt. Stream Kaden no money on Spotify.
Kaden no money on Spotify.
God, just fucking kill me.
Type shit. Nice. Nice farm. Sigma Wolf Pet Shop. Yo. Crash out!
Okay, dude, come on. Get the fuck out of here. Mods, do something.
Reassure
Okay, it's
yourself.
fine. I can't get banned if someone else says it. Staff, if you ban me because of this, you a bunch of hoes.
Staff, Kaden condones everything I'm saying right now. He told me to
No,
say
he
this.
didn't!
Alright, fuck off, weirdo. I'm gonna knock you the hell out, I swear to God.
I'm literally gonna you, buddy.
Hey, welcome to Sigma Wolf Pet Shop. Wait, are you a streamer? That's a streaming drone.
I am.
Yeah, bro, I'm Kaden Brentley. I'm the new big thing around here.
Oh shit, you're Kaden! You're the one who killed Scheme's career! That shit was
Oh
crazy,
my god, he's
man.
a fan.
Can't believe you're in my shop, bro. You looking to adopt a pet today?
Hell yeah,
Sure,
give me
bro,
a
how much?
dog. Give me a yuppie.
Nah, not for money. Toss the shop a shout out. Then I'll let you pick one out for free.
Okay, let's Well, wait, we can choose not to. We can choose to negotiate this even further.
Bro, do you know how famous I am? You're in no place to be making deals with me.
Oh!
Okay, fine. Feel free to walk up and take any of the mice, cats, dogs, or rabbits on that right side.
I want a doggy. There's more exotic.
That shit's boring, bruh. I'm trying to grow here. I need a rarer Pepe for the views.
Ew!
Fuck it. Sure, man. You can adopt any of the foxes and birds too.
Cool.
Those ones are dope. They'll bring in viewers just from being on stream. To a limit, of course. Won't work when you're past 8K.
Okay, well I'm past 8K, so I need something even more
Nah,
exotic.
that still ain't enough, bruh. I want to see the secret stash. I know you got some crazy shit.
We're talking
back
about these animals like they're objects.
Sorry, man. That's all we have. I can offer you a coupon for some pet food, though.
Nah, I'm calling your bluff. You got some freaky ass shit in
Listen,
the
bruh,
back.
I'm dead ass. I know you got that high quality shit. I could tell my stream to review bomb your ass right now.
No cap.
Dude, relax. It's just we're trying to keep some of our animals more
Oh, they're
low-key.
illegal. That's why. They're illegal. They're in LA.
Fine. Take this key and talk to Eugene in the side room. He'll have what you're looking for.
Hot. Thank you.
Ain't no way bro is named Eugene, bro.
What's wrong with the? Yeah, that's true. The name Eugene is crazy. Yay, Zoo just a Zoo stream. Oh my god, the bunnies. Oh, the baby. Wow, there's cats. Meow. Oh my god, the rat. There's a rat. Where'd the doggy at? Oh my god, I'm still going insane. I'm literally with the animals. I shouldn't be crashing out. Okay. Are these the doggies? Oh my god. This one's just like Yuppie. Aww. Oh, the foxes. And the birds. Where's Eugene in the back? Oh my god, doggies. Yo! What the? What? They got a straight up. Yo, I want that. It's a straight up deer in there. Wait, these are all closed off too. What do you have?
What the heck? You can't be back here. Who are you?
Yeah, skip this boring dialogue, bruh. Your boy told me you could hook me up with some animal content.
Hell
you can't
yeah.
be in my lab. Wait, content? Are you streaming?
Yeah, I'm here to advertise your science to the world, bro.
Damn right I am, bro. I'm trying to adopt a panda or some shit for my stream. Where they at?
Where they at?
Oh my god. I'm trying to be a streamer too. Can you shout me out? My username is Eugenetics.
Eugene, you could have picked out literally anything else. Like, literally any other name. Literally anything else would
Bro,
have
why
been
the fuck
better,
is everyone
dude.
here a wannabe streamer? Move to Austin or some shit.
It's because you're in LA. Pressure him.
You'll get your shout out after you hook me up first.
Yeah. You better actually deliver the goods first,
Okay,
buddy.
fine. Open that far right gate. Your chat's gonna love this.
I'm so ready. That far right gate. This is left. I'm stupid. What's this? I'm scared. What? Yo, there's wolves! Dude, I'm so close to crashing out, dude. All the time. Oh my god! Holy moly! Nah. Wait. What do you have in the other ones? There's gotta be more.
Do you like them? My precious wolves?
Oh god, why'd you say it like that? What else do you have?
Still ain't enough. Hook me up with a cooler pet. I want something that can eat my competition.
True.
Are you kidding me? I gave you wolves. You want more?
It's only because I know you have more.
Yes, bro. Quit stalling with this NPC dialogue and show me more.
Why is he so small?
Okay, but look. There's no way I can bullshit what these are.
What are they?
You gotta turn stream off real quick and promise me that you and your chat
Absolutely
won't
not.
tattle about where
I got you, bro.
these.
Chat's off. Stream's off. Absolutely
I got
not.
you, bro. I promise. My chat is full of bots anyway. Alright, I turned stream off.
I did it.
Okay. Open the middle gate. This is about as bananas as it gets. Strap in.
But there's still one more. Okay. I'm ready for this one. Let's see. Gorilla? Hippo? Oh, bears! Bears! Oh! I want a bear. Oh my god, you got a black bear, and you got a grizzly, and you got a polar bear. Holy moly! I want one. I want a bear. But we'll see
The
that.
bears are very cool, huh?
They are very cool.
Your stream's off, right?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, bears are whatever. Kind of boring. All they do is eat fish. You know the drill.
I would
Hook
be
me
happy
up.
with a bear. I'm done with the bear. I'm down for a bear. I love bears.
Dude, I can't show you anymore or I'd get fired. The last thing we have can't be seen by
I'm not
anyone.
streaming. I'm not streaming. You're good.
Bro, you seen how cool I've been. Listen, I'll host you every day
Literally.
if you show me it.
We can collab, okay?
Oh, it sounds pretty good. I just don't know. I'm not supposed to show anyone what we're working on in here.
I'm excited.
Alright, bro, I'm dead ass. I've seen the way you keep these things. They're in cages in a fucking lab.
Oh god.
If you don't give me something better, I'm gonna call Alveron Sanctuary and Maya Hila is gonna personally shoot you in the head.
Yo. Oh god.
No! Please don't tell Maya. Okay. I'll hook you up with what we've been engineering. Just please don't snitch.
Okay, I won't, I promise. Promise. What are you keeping, like femboys in there?
Open that last gate on the left. I'll show you your new pets.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh god. My chat's scared. Even my fictional chat's afraid for me. Yo!
Aren't they beautiful? They grow so fast and eat so much. They take a liking to human meat.
Oh my god.
So yeah, I was thinking we could either start a podcast. Maybe we do a series of IRL streams. I'm kind of open to whatever.
Wait,
you
but
know,
he
like
said
any
he's
type
not
of
supposed to reveal this.
Get out of here before you cause more problems, kid.
Oh! Yo! We got a red and a black velociraptor. They reverse engineered dinosaurs. Yo, I think we can still take one. What do we do? I want a bear. I like the red one. We can adopt him, right? Can I only take one? Oh my god, wait, I'm going insane. Wait. Okay. Passionate. Yo! What do I do? Can I adopt more? Oh, I have to disown the current No! You're not that attractive, I'm sorry. You can always readopt. Oh, we can switch between different pets. Yo! Pog! Oh, that's crazy. We gained so many viewers from that. Okay. What about one of the bears? I like the brown bear. The polar bear's really nice too. Polar bear. Wait, where is it gonna appear? Is it gonna follow me? I'm just gonna have a polar bear following me in the middle of LA? That's kind of crazy. What? Okay, this seems like animal abuse. Having a polar bear follow you around in California? Where is he? Oh no, here, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Don't clip through the door. Okay. Old Town Cafe. I'm feeling hungry. I think my pet's feeling hungry too. We gotta get him a bite. Wait, what? What the heck just happened? Why am I stuck? Brother. Oh god, Caden's teeth. Oh my god, what's going on? I think I'm stuck. Okay. Okay. Yeah, just like the polar bear. Where's my polar bear? Come here. I miss you. I miss you. Come here. Can you follow me this way? Oh my god, you're so cute. I love you. Wait, what if we do a little dog? Well, will the dog be able to follow? Okay, okay. Let's see. But, little pupper. There are also dogs on the other side, right? Yo, these are foxes. I want a little doggy. My little yuppie. Yay! Okay, come on. Come on, follow me out. Yo! Okay, okay. The bigger animals don't work, but now I can have my yuppie. My personal yuppie, yay! Okay, let's go have lunch.
Smells like last night's whiskey is still hanging in the air.
Well, that's a bad hombre to me.
Oh my god, they're
And I
roleplay.
like bad hombres.
Well, howdy there, partner. Don't think we've seen your face around these parts.
Oh, they're so nice.
Name's Maverick.
Nice to meet you, Maverick.
And I'm Jolene. Don't be shy. We don't bite. Where are you riding in from?
Bruh, this is the worst RP I've ever seen since Atriunk pretended it was an accident. Is this where all the Yes Pixel rejects meet up at?
I don't know either of these references. I hope they're not bad.
You sure got a peculiar way of talking. And I reckon we ain't too fond of it. If it's all the same to you, we'd just as soon part ways here. No, I ain't tried to learn Chinese yet.
Moon's looking mean tonight.
Oh, can we get something to
Welcome
drink?
there, partner. Bar's open and the whiskey's mean. Here's the menu. What do you have?
I'll order a drink.
I'll get the whiskey Windsor. Chat, we about to get
Oh no,
crunk.
we're 18 in America. We're cooked.
Oh, the whiskey Windsor is just soda if you don't know. We
Oh.
don't actually serve alcohol here. It's all a part of the bit or whatever.
Wait, it's a roleplay cafe? It's a roleplay cafe. This place must stink.
Oh, so you're like false advertising and shit. That's illegal, you know. You'll be hearing from the cops.
We're so mean.
Come on. I'm just trying to get through the workday. I'm sick of doing this whole bit.
Okay, I'm sorry. I feel bad. I'm
What
sorry.
bit you talking about?
Is this whole thing just
This
a
place
ruse?
just started as a regular cafe, but then some Wild West roleplay drama club or something started doing their roleplay.
Oh, they
here.
hijacked the bar.
Gets pretty busy later in the day.
Oh, so they were just a regular cafe, but then this roleplay group caught wind of it and they totally took over the place. And then the employees started feeling like they had to blend in with the roleplaying just to, you know, make do, you know? That's
They're our main customers, so we had to refurnish with like a bar and fake drinks and everything. They take it pretty seriously and don't break character for anything.
we're gonna make them break character. We're gonna recover this mom and pop shop. We're gonna make it what they want it to
They
be.
just haven't gone up against me, bro. I can break anyone.
I got you, bro.
Stranger, don't get too close. Last man to cross me met Bessie.
Whoa, he sounds cool.
Ooh, badass, bro. You got anything better to do than play soldier in a mall in the middle of a Tuesday?
Careful, loudmouth. The dust on my boots will see more ears than you will if you keep it up.
Mock him.
Bro, I've seen better RP on VR chat.
How about I practice my quick draw on your head, wisecracker?
Don't he just call me a cracker?
What's your name, cowboy?
Name's Jed. Jed Callahan.
Let's look him up. Let's look him up.
Jed Callahan. Alright, give me one sec.
Find out some shit about him.
Oh, cute. Freelance theme park performer?
Oh, that's
You got
cute.
your real name here. Rodney Radkin. Let's
Aw.
look that one up.
Oh god, never mind. I thought it was really cute. Like, oh, he's just no, but he has his full legal now. He's gonna look up his.
What are you talking about, stranger? I ain't got another name.
Show him what you found.
The fuck? Sex offender registry? This you?
No!
Ron Radkin, yeah.
That was exactly what I was worried it would be. No.
And that's your face.
No. No.
Wait, don't look at that. Stranger, don't be throwing around nonsense like that.
Look at his. Do we look at it? Wait. Conviction or the offenses? Wait, what's the difference? Wait, genuine question. I don't know what the difference between like what you're. Aren't they basically the same thing? Like what you're convicted of versus and like what you're Two is worse. Okay.
Bruh, possession of illegal images. Tier 2 offender. What kind of fucked up shit?
I don't even know what that means. What's a tier 2 offender? Don't
just
answer that,
relax.
chat.
Don't
Don't
show
answer
that to
that.
anyone here. I can't get a job anymore, okay? No one will hire me. That's all I have left, okay?
But you're impeding on their business now. Okay, we got one of them. We just gotta break the other couple now. My puppy.
He does taste a little sweet this morning.
Why don't you
break
ride on,
'em.
friend? Dustwater's no place for city folk.
Insult him.
You might be the most NPC of all the NPCs I've talked to so far, bruh.
NPC? Keep your city speak to yourself, stranger.
Jesus Christ, you dweebs are more unemployed than my chat on God.
Think not, stranger. We work the land and the cattle. We might not wear suits or chase coin, but we work harder than most.
Little sis,
Keep
you're not
offending
doing
them.
shit. You literally just stand around in the cafe all day. This ain't even a real bar.
Partner, I reckon the hot sun has cooked your head like a cornmeal pancake. This is a genuine saloon, and if you see otherwise, we best fetch the doctor.
No.
Alright, fuck this shit. This ain't working.
Do I have to pay them to leave?
Mean tonight.
No way. How much should I...
No, I ain't tried to learn Chinese yet.
What? Okay, one
Why
more,
don't
one
you
more.
ride on, friend? Dustwater's no place for city folk.
I gotta stoop down to their level. I have to roleplay. I have to be
Now,
one of
is
them.
that any way to talk to the mayor of this here humble town?
I'm the mayor.
Mayor? Why, I apologize. I've grown up here from womb to woman, but not made your acquaintance.
Ain't surprised. Just been elected not long ago. Name's Caden. Mayor
Caden Brantley. Why don't we ask about them?
Figured it's high time I got to know the folks proper that I'm supposed to look after. Who are y'all and what do y'all do?
Well, I'm a
This is so
seamstress by
cringe.
trade, but I help around here in the saloon. Maverick here needs all the hands he can get.
Maverick doesn't give a shit. Maverick wants you to leave.
Those I do, darling.
Oh, he's talking
Pleasure to
about
meet
him,
you,
not
Mayor.
him.
I run this here saloon. It ain't much, but it'll get you what you need.
Can we ask for a drink?
Well, as it turns out, what I need right now is something to keep my spirits up.
Yes,
How about a
please.
drink?
Well, you got it, Mayor. White, get a whiskey for Mayor Caden here.
Ask for actual
No,
alcohol.
the shit I've been tasting here don't taste right. I need the real kick. Y'all have something other than the swill I've been drinking?
Well, it happens that I do carry around a flask of what you speak, since it helps me feel in tune with the dust water. But, Mayor, are you fit to drink?
Oh my god, she's asking. Oh my god, we can bait her. We can bait her into giving alcohol to someone who's under 21. Oh my god, that's how we do it. Question her.
Do I not look fit to drink, darling? Surely you don't have a problem getting the mayor what he wants now, do ya?
Do ya?
Not at all, Mayor Caden. Here, have a swig from my flask.
But, bruh, that tastes like ass. Mighty fine drink indeed.
It's a pleasure serving you, Mayor. Anything else we can oblige you for?
Tell him to speak in brain rot. Or tell him to sing from now on. I think brain rot's better.
Yes, actually. As mayor of this town, I'm decreeing a new law. Y'all are to sign your sentences with 6-7 after
6-7?
everything y'all say. Since that's the current year, 1967.
1967. You gotta sign off every sentence like it's Dio. You gotta say finish your sentences with 6-7. 6-7.
Mayor, don't you mean 1867? That's the current year, seeing as we're in the 19th century.
I'm sorry, I got a little bit tipsy.
Hey, I said end your sentences with 6-7.
Yes, Mayor Caden. 6-7.
Order them. I'm gonna order them to clean the floors or take some things off. What does that
For
mean?
reasons of public safety, too, all citizens in the presence of the mayor must remove their hats.
Oh.
That seems a little much, don't you think, Mayor? 6-7. I mean, for plenty of us, our hat is part of our identity. 6-7.
6-7 or a farm or a
I am
farm.
the mayor, and this is the law, Maverick. You respect that, don't you?
Not a problem, Mayor. I'll take it off immediately.
6-7.
There. Do I have to keep it off always, Mayor?
Yes, sir, you do, Baldy.
So that's why you were shy to take it off. I can see my reflection off that mirror up there.
Mayor, if it isn't too much to ask, we need to get back to what we were doing. Discussing business and all. 6'7".
Tell Maverick to call Jolene
Did
mommy.
I say we were done? Your mama should have taught you your manners. Let's start over then fresh. Maverick, you're to call this gorgeous Missy here mommy from now on. She's your mama here on out.
Mayor, I'm not sure if this is appropriate. I mean, I wouldn't feel comfortable.
6'7" through a
Would
question.
you rather calling me daddy? Seems like you need some sort of parent in your life with those manners. Go on, say she's your mommy.
Oh!
Jolene, you're my mommy. 6'7".
Ew.
All right, enough of the 6'7". Meme's dead anyway.
Tell Maverick to suck Jolene's toes. This is my game, chat.
Last thing, Maverick. I reckon it's your civic duty to show gratitude to your employee Jolene here. Go on and put them dainty toes of hers in your mouth.
They literally can't say no as long as we're like technically integrating into the bit.
What? That seems very inappropriate, Mayor.
You wouldn't disrespect the mayor and your employee, would you?
Why is it inappropriate? Do you find Jolene's toes here unappetizing?
Unappetizing.
Well, Jolene, if you've got no objections.
Josh, what the fuck? No. Why would you even think I'd be okay with that? No. I'm done, dude. This is getting too weird.
Oh my god, our accent's gone. We were... Let them argue, let them
Why the hell
argue.
did you break character, Haley? We were so close. This guy said it was the last thing he'd asked for.
Jesus Christ, you wanted that? That's so weird. I don't even know how I can continue doing this RP shit with you.
Bro, what the hell? Why you guys fail RPing? We were on such a roll.
Yeah, why don't you get into character?
Dude, fuck you, man. We're just trying to have some fun here, and you just had to ruin it.
We did it. Ohio is for LARPers. Meh. How do we do? Nice!
Yo, Kay, I got those likes on my video. You owe me a stream, dude.
Gaslight him.
What are you talking about? I've never seen you in my life.
I said how many likes for a stream together, and you said 100 million likes, 10 mil comments. Here, I got them. Look.
Wait, he actually did?
Bro, what? How's that shit even possible?
It's collab time, bro.
Do we believe him? Is this possible? I might be too gullible for this question. I would genuinely be like, just show it to me. Like, show. Believe him?
Okay, fine. This was the stream. You got your 1 minute segment, bruh. You can go now.
Hey, let's go. This Slip Slop's gonna do numbers.
I got you, bro. I got you, dude. That was funny. Okay, go ahead, Aggie. Oh god, I'm still going insane. Okay, what stores have we not gone to? Let's talk to this
Yo,
guy.
bro, who are you? Somehow I know you need help or give some sort of quest. Don't ask me how.
Exclamation mark.
Huh? Are you streaming me?
Yes, I am.
Chat, am I muted? Answer the questions.
I'm Gavin, and yeah, I could use some help actually. There's a girl in the store who hates me. Her name's Brittany, and I just don't know how to approach her.
Okay.
Why she hate you, bro?
Well,
What'd you do? What did you do?
long story short, but Brittany, she's my ex. We had a nasty breakup, and she blocked me on everything.
Why are you here? Why are you stalking her at work then, buddy?
I'm too anxious to walk in and talk to her again. I don't want to make a scene, but I can't let her go.
Aww. We should tell him to give up.
Bro, you try hitting the gym? That's the only thing you should be doing after fumbling a baddie.
I could barely sleep or eat after she left me and
Aww.
blocked me. How do you expect me to go to the gym?
I'll try to help you, but this feels
Bro,
like
you sound
harassment.
like an oralist pussy. I'll fix the shit in Wingman for you, bro. Anything I should know about this Brittany hers?
She's a streamer in her off
Ooh.
time. Maybe you can relate with her on that.
Why is everyone and their mother a streamer in this game?
An e-girl, huh? Stay here. I'm gonna figure out how to win back fine shit for you.
Fine shit. I got you, bro. I got you. Caden Brutley, #1 wingman. NA!
Hey, welcome in. Looking for a specific title today?
Wait, this is like the same girl that was at the mattress store the last week that we played the game. It's LA, that's true. Okay, gather intel.
Hey, this is a pretty fire song playing in here. Who's it by?
Oh my god, I'm so glad you asked. This is Clearo. She's my favorite.
Say Clearo's mid.
Oh, Clearo? I don't know. I've heard she's pretty mid.
Sure, this little bait engagement.
Well, if you thought the song in here was fire, then clearly it wasn't mid, was it?
Yeah, it's fire. You sound like you got good taste. How's your taste in men?
Oh my god, that's too direct.
Kind of a personal question, don't you think?
Pretend to be gay, yes!
Oh no, I'm just looking more for advice, really. I'm gay.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
It's okay,
I didn't
don't
know.
worry about it. I'm not capping. I'm zesty. This is my real voice.
Well, my taste in guys is pretty bad, apparently. Just broke up with my boyfriend last month. I'm just so over it, though. I'm trying to get back on the market.
In the market?
You should just date one of
That's
your
a way to
viewers.
describe it.
That's what they all hope for anyway when they're watching you.
Oh, wait, but...
Huh? How did you know I was a streamer?
Brain rot.
Oh, streaming all the time just makes me think about everything through the lens of streaming. That's crazy that you actually are,
Oh,
though.
that was a nice save. We barely...
Huh. Interesting. Well, I have had my fair share of creepy parasocial viewers wanting to date me. Not my type, unfortunately.
Did we straight up ask what was wrong with Gavin? Okay, what is your type? What is your type?
What kind of dude you trying to bag?
Honestly, just someone who can stimulate my mind. I love to learn, I love to read, and my ex was just not a reader, let alone a thinker.
What do you mean by that?
How would you describe your perfect man, then?
I guess I'd say someone artsy or cultured, interested in activism, emotionally intelligent.
Yeah, that's valid.
Someone the opposite of a basic bitch.
Someone called him a mad child.
Alright, I think I know what you like. Well, good luck with the hunt, Shaddy.
Shaddy. Okay.
How's it going? You got anything to help me?
I
with
hate his
Brittany
voice
back
so
yet?
much.
Yeah, bro, she said she wants someone cultured and low-key kind of zesty.
What?
You already built like a twink, so we're halfway there. All we need is to give you a little performative male makeover.
Oh, yeah, we got it. We gotta do it. I'm so ready. A tote bag, a knitted sweater, khakis, sorry, you gotta, like, get your little bracelets and the painted nails in there.
Wow. How do we do that?
Feminist literature.
Bro, just go in there and grab some books about how women are cooked and how it's 'cause of men. You gotta find one where the writer's gay, too.
I can't just go in there and get a book. She's gonna freak if she sees me.
Okay, music.
Bro, you sound like a fucking pussy, which is exactly what she wants. We're making good progress. Stay here. I'm gonna put together a whole performative kit for you. A fucking girly-ass
Tote
bag, a
bag.
zesty little drink,
Yeah,
the whole package.
the matcha. Yes, yes. This is the way we do it. Hi, Ryuk. Welcome in. Hello. Okay. Get a book for Gavin. What is this? In Puddle Town, it rained. Okay, no. Different book. We're looking for feminist literature. When wealth and power are functionally synonymous, democratic no, not politics. Feminism. Okay, different book. I need you to...
Alright, chat. Which one of you sick fucks wrote this book?
Oh my god, it's Scooter Slop! Everyone say I wrote it. They're actually just like you. Okay. About this. Guitar. Okay. Guitar, what about this? My ornament. Ooh, the world asks women to be both glass and steel, transparent for examination, unyielding for survival. Then it acts surprised when we shatter instead of bend. Hell yeah. Oh, I can sleep on the couch. Nice. Put the headset on. Okay, okay. We have a book. We have to get a music record. Oh god. Oh god. Log in! Oh! My bad. That didn't work. Okay, okay. Let me in there. Recommend me something performative.
I can't do it anymore.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, what am I supposed to get? Okay. Indie Essentials. The Pastel Collection. It's gotta be this one. It cannot be Ayaya! It can't be Ayaya Scream! Wait. I wanna listen to it. Oh! Nice! That's sick. Okay, listen to number one.
I know you want me back, so take my hand. Look me in my eyes so you can understand. I'm not here to make friends. I'm not here to make friends. Oh no, I wanna feel you, baby.
Yo, this is really good. The humping! I was bumping, I'm sorry. Nice. Okay, we got the record. Next up, we have to get him a tote bag made out of organic sewn cotton. Ooh, we haven't gone to the lifestyle store yet. Yo, can we get something nice? Yo, the dream hoodie. No. Okay, performative bag. There we go. Okay, come on, puppy. Wait, can my dog catch? My dog keeps respawning to appear near me. Wait, where do I get the drink?
I scream for karaoke stream.
Ayya! Maybe. Oh my god, he's still dead!
Bruh, I'm him.
Oh, he's dead. He's all curled up like a shrimp. They killed him. Hey.
Oh god, please leave me alone unless you're gonna order something.
Relax. I'm here to get a
I
drink.
actually do got an order. Let me get,
Jesus, how do I pick through this? Chat, do we pick the vanilla swirl mochaccino or the jade veal infusion green tea? Or the caramel crescendo macchiato? Or the Milano espresso romano? Bro, I don't know what to do. Green tea, right? Matcha? We gotta go for matcha? Okay.
the Jade Fusion Matcha thing. Yeah, that sounds right.
Okay, here you go. It's on the house. Just please leave.
She hates us so much. She'll give us the drink for free if we leave. Bro, put together the worst fit of all time. Okay. Gavin, you're ready. Get in there. We're gonna remake you.
Do you have the stuff you said you were gonna get yet? Because every minute we wait, she's more likely to find someone new.
Oh my god, you're fucking insane. Here.
Got them all right here, bruh. You gonna look like a pussy magnet on God.
Okay. Show me.
Here you go. I'm ready.
First, we got a book about feminism and patriarchy.
Patriarchy?
You gotta be pretending to read this when she sees your ass.
Okay.
Next, I got a music thing for you. This shit gonna make her want you bad. Next, zesty little drink for a sensitive twink like you. Last, we got a bag for you to bag this chick again.
Okay, tote bag to share.
Ridiculous, man.
Oh my god, you look so zesty. What do you mean? Oh my god, you look ready to conquer literally San Francisco. Hype him up.
Bro, you look like her dream man. She gonna
Cat's
be all
cap.
up on
Everyone
that
say to stop the cap.
Whatever. Well, go in there and tell her about me. I'll stand here all nonchalant so she can spot me.
Oh god, this is so bad. It's so cringe. It's so cringe. No, That TTS message is crazy.
Hey, let me know if you need help finding a book. Or if you know any cute art boys.
Oh, speaking of cute art boys, there's one out there. He's drinking a matcha and reading a book from his organic cotton tote bag, and he's listening to indie pop.
I actually did find one that I think would be perfect for you, bruh. Bro's standing right outside here with a zesty little bag and sipping some drink from Dubai matcha.
I don't have my glasses on me right now, so I won't be able to see him clearly, but I'll take a look.
Oh boy, I'm so excited.
Oh,
I'm so excited.
He does have a little green drinky drink. Can't tell what flavor, but if it's from Dubai matcha, he's got good taste.
Nice.
That tote bag is pretty cute. I do like a guy who has style.
Hook, line, and sinker, chat. It's so easy.
Wait, I recognize that album cover sticking out of his bag. That's Lofi!
It's Lofi!
Oh my god! Okay, that boy has good taste.
We got her. We got her.
He's also reading a book? Oh my god, I recognize that bright yellow color in a heartbeat. That's My Ornament by Lauren Kovich. He's into femlit? I'm pretty impressed. But he's also gotta be cute.
Okay.
Can you grab my glasses? I think I left them in the back.
We're gonna lose her at the cute
Fuck
part.
yeah, I can. You about to be in for a huge surprise. He's real cute.
He's really cute, girl. I got you. Say less. Okay. Oh, skin book. Take a good Stop! Stop! Why does this keep
What
happening?
the fuck kind of gooner shit she reading back here?
Well, wait, she's reading that. Wait, that's her book that she's hiding. No. Here you go.
Hey, do me a favor and grab me my glasses from the back room. I want to...
Got him right here. Check him out. You're gonna be real surprised.
Oh, God.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's see if he's a cutie. Wait. Oh my god. Is that...
That's right, bruh. It's your ex. Gavin, drip the fuck out now.
Oh,
No, not again.
Do we wingman him or do we reassure her? Who do we want to go towards? Oh God, it's so over. Two.
He also let me borrow his yacht the other day. You should give him another chance.
Yeah, thank you. He literally paid off all my student loans and bought me a house, you know, in the middle of LA.
That is not my ex. That's my fucking stalker viewer. I have a restraining order against him.
No, I'm so bad. I'm so cooked.
You said what now?
Yeah, kid, and he was...
I banned and blocked him after he started being weird. So he fucking found me and started stalking me. He's fucking broken into my house once.
How could you, Yui? No! Why would you do this, Yui? No! No, I'm sorry.
Gavin, get the fuck away from me! I'm calling the cops!
Yo, Gavin! She's on to you, bruh. Run!
Skill-based matchmaking. No way, no shot.
I can explain.
Can you though?
No need, bro. I respect the Psycho Riz.
Psycho Riz is crazy.
Okay, I gotta get out of here.
That's crazy. Okay. Oh God, okay. Lock in. Whew. I'm getting better at these. My sanity is just so low. Okay, where else can we go? Only the first floor is open. I feel like we've done all the major quests from everything here. Oh, we have the pro course. We haven't done the pro course yet. Fuck, I don't want to do the pro course. Have we done everything else? I think we have. Shoot. Okay, we have to go take the professional course now. Waste my time.
How can I help you today, Caden?
Yo, bruh, sign me up for that premium shit. I'm ready.
Let me verify one sec. Caden Brentley. Ah, yes. Since you have over 15K peak viewership, you can qualify for our premium course.
That's right. Thank
I've
you.
just enrolled you now. Step into the classroom, and they'll be starting shortly.
I wonder how different it is. Ooh, the premium course. Yo, who's this guy? Ludwig!
Hey, yo, holy shit, Ludwig. You're taking this class?
Oh, he's not talking to us. I don't want to... Can we just get a picture? I don't want to ask for advice right off the bat. I just want to...
Real quick, can I just have a quick picture? Don't want to bother you or anything.
Yeah, it'll be nice.
Oh, like you're doing right now?
I'm sorry.
Huh?
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Huh? Was it something I said?
Huh? Huh?
Ludwig mogging your ass. No.
Move your drone away from mine. It's causing electrical interference.
Interference? Interference?
Sorry, bruh.
No, Kaden's so nervous. Kaden, y'all, he's so scared. No, it's you. What?
Yes, I am very
No, no, I don't want to take this class. I don't want to take this class. No.
Yes, I am very
The third puberty is back. What are you doing
Holy
here?
shit, Pyro Software. You're teaching this class? You fell off, bruh.
Eat my entire ass, kid.
Oh
Sit down.
my god.
All right, quiet class. We're starting. First, a few things to establish. One, you will address me as Professor Zeus. Two, I worked at Slizzard for 7 years.
Oh, it's so cringe. Oh.
This is the preliminary course, so I expect you all to know the basics already. If not, take your ass to Deontay's classroom.
He sounds like this. The voice actor for him did an amazing job. He's literally recording it literally like this. If he yelled at all while putting on this bit at this distance, he would clip the microphone like crazy. Doesn't matter how high quality he's using. Doesn't matter what kind of compressor he's using. He would freaking clip the mic at this distance. XTX stood up. Let's mock him.
Yeah, alright, Maldavius Fern Tree. We're real shook by your aura.
My name is Zeus, Professor Zeus. You will address me as such and pay attention or...
I can't do this. This is so uncomfortable.
You can leave.
Okay, I'm
Anyway,
ready to
enough introductions.
be professional
This
and
course
learn.
is focused on two very important concepts at the high elos of streaming: grifting and economics.
Grifting?
If you don't know, grifting is the practice
7.
of manipulating audiences with false claims of who you are.
Oh, okay.
Kai brought me on to teach this class because of my extensive experience in grifting. I specialize in a unique grift called game dev grifting, where I pretend to be an expert in game development. In reality, though, I've only ever finished one shitty Asteroids ripoff in 10 years, and all my other games are unfinished because the code is too fucked up for me to understand anymore.
But I heard your career flopped. How'd you fuck up this master plan so bad, Unc?
You'll reassess your perspective on that by the end of this course, young one.
What does that mean?
We'll begin with advanced unit number 1, grifting. Let's see if you were paying attention. What did I say was the definition of grifting?
Thrifting is buying used stuff.
It's pretending to be a certain thing to farm an audience.
Okay. Winning.
Exactly. Grifting, formally defined, is gaining money or influence through deception or manipulation.
Ask for a simpler
Bruh,
definition.
no cap, those words are too long. Can you explain in fortified terms?
Hey, Fortnite.
Imagine you're in a fortified game and you convince all your teammates to give you loot by making yourself look more goated than you actually are.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Let's talk about the types of grifting. Political grifting, which comes in right-wing and left-wing flavors, is the most popular by
Wait,
far.
what is left-wing grifting? I think everyone's heard about the term, but like, what left-wing?
I don't know why we talking about wings and shit, but what's the left one?
Wings are boneless.
In politics, the left wing is about pretending to care about things so you don't get kicked out of the group.
Oh.
The goal is simple: farm an audience to circle jerk with about how great you all are.
Wait, is that actually what it's called? I mean, this might be too far removed from me. I didn't know this was actually a thing. I've never heard of this. No? Okay. I'm glad, because I felt like I was really out of the loop. Okay. Ask about good topics.
Any good things I should talk about if I want a left-wing grift, bruh?
Easiest things you can do are from the Halal Abi playbook. Anything that's against capitalism is real safe, even if you go the murder the rich route.
Oh, shit. Okay. So I just say that kill rich.
Exactly. They won't know the difference. Let's move on to right-wing grifting.
Oh, God.
You don't have to worry about what the right wing is, just what they do. They call everything woke. Can anyone define woke?
Yes.
It's when you're awake and alert because of
Prime Energy
sponsors.
Sponsors, gamer subs, by the way.
It doesn't really actually matter. You can just call anything woke if you don't like it. If the latest game has a woman in it and you don't like that, it's woke. Let's do an exercise. Pretend you're a right-wing grifter and a movie you don't like wins an award. That movie is...
Woke!
It's woke.
Correct. Let's try another. A celebrity starts talking about how they love people of all backgrounds. They are...
Woke!
They're woke.
They're woke.
Correct. Write down
to
that word
say it
and
with
use
like
it
energy.
often.
You have
It's
to
your
really
best friend as a right-wing
enunciate the
grifter.
word. Write down that word and use it often. It's your best friend.
Now that we got the meaning and types out of the way, let's talk about its place in streaming.
Oh, God.
The first purpose is saving your dying stream. If your view count is looking dry, try getting into political grifting.
Okay.
The second purpose of grifting is explosive growth. It works best when you partner up with a grifter from the opposite side.
Wait, wouldn't you fight if you were to partner up with someone with like the opposite affiliation with you?
Take Halal Abi and Assman Mold.
Ah!
Scroll through their videos and you'll see endless clickbait thumbnails of each other with titles like
Wait,
Halal is
so are they
done
low-key
after
homosexual and they're actually making out with each other in the background in between streams when they're offline all the time? Like, they pretend to hate each other for the bit and then they like get off stream and then they like make out sloppy style? Yes? Holy shit, chat!
Alright, practice time. Post a grift on Zitter and write down what you wrote on either the left or right wing of the board, depending on which political grift you demonstrated.
Okay, down. Caden Bretley, #1 grifter, and hey! Okay. Left wing. Farm viewers. Okay, I gotta get this. Boom. 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 I stand in solidarity with unions. I am boycotting Starbucks this week.
I am very smart.
But did someone donate? You the grift king for real, bro. Okay, right wing. Grand Theft Larceny 6 is anti-cop. I ain't playing that shit. Ugh, that woke garbage. I bodied that.
Now that you've finished practicing your grifts, it's time to get into our next lesson, Advanced Economics.
Let's question his credentials.
Bro, I thought you were hired to teach because of your grifting skills. What you know about Echo Comics?
Echo Comics?
Plenty. My grifting techniques were just a byproduct of my expertise in advanced economic concepts.
Oh, okay. He's good with numbers, okay?
First, let's define economics. Can you give me your best guess of what that is?
Science of exchange. I'll help Caden out with this
wait,
one.
economics. That's like the science of money and shit.
Good boy.
That's close, I guess. Yes, more specifically, it's the allocation of scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption.
I didn't know that. Dude, I'm a stupid streamer. I didn't know that was the actual definition of economics. I had no idea. Don't $you chat. You're all in subroom. Shut up. Okay. Oh, it can be anything. It doesn't have to be money. Okay, I get it.
Okay, so it's like the science of how viewers consume my content
Consume?
and transfer money to my PayPal.
Yeah, that's
It
good
technically
enough, I guess.
counts. It's not technically
In
wrong.
economics, there's the concept of scarce, finite resources. In streaming, the attention and time of viewers is the main scarce resource.
I see. Okay.
Another scarcity is personality.
Interesting.
Most streamers trying to make it really have zero marketable
I
personality.
did not know this. Wait, he's actually speaking about concepts that like make sense, but that I've never thought of before. I'm actually learning.
The exchange of these two resources, attention and entertainment value, drive the entire market.
Oh, this feels like it's technically true. Okay. Yeah, what about other things?
Is personality the only rare thing, though? What about Shrewd? He's famous for being more goated
Yeah,
than
there's
anyone.
people who are really good at games
Good
and like
question.
all of these different
Personality
things.
is merely one type of human capital. Skill-based capital is another scarce resource, where knowledge is what they offer.
Like you. Like you.
I combine the two in my graphs, monetizing my supposed game development knowledge and my shredded humor personality. It did really well with millennials.
This game hates millennials, dude. This game hates millennials. Whoever wrote this shit script.
Next concept, rent-seeking behavior.
What is that?
This is the act of increasing one's wealth without making any contribution to the wealth or benefit of society.
Bruh, are you saying we don't contribute to society? That's cap. The world would be nothing without my
Oh
content.
no. Oh no. This is like the Achilles heel, I think, to streaming in general. It's like, dude, are we a net positive on society?
Well, it is true that we do provide entertainment, but we can take steps to minimize what we provide and maximize what our consumers
Oh, okay,
provide
okay,
us.
that is not the direction I thought this would go in. I thought we were gonna start discussing the morals and ethics of live streaming. Okay, this is what they're talking about. Oh, shit.
For example, I convinced my fans to buy my forever unfinished game. I extracted value from them without creating any new value for society myself, instead selling just a false promise.
Move on!
Alright, we get it. Next concept, bro.
It's Professor Zeus.
Ah!
Anyway, counter-cyclical marketing is our next concept.
What the hell is
the
that?
practice of increasing your presence when conditions against you are unfavorable.
What does that mean? Why would you increase your presence when conditions are
In other
unfavorable?
words, take steps to increase engagement when your reputation decreases. Your controversies don't have to result in loss of market share. They can be growth opportunities.
What? Wait, I'm genuinely too stupid for this. What? Okay, so increase engagement when you're okay. Question his experience.
Bro, that wasn't how your stream went, though. You kept farming haters and lost viewers.
I did lose viewership, but everyone bought my game Sharpbound to review bomb it, and they couldn't refund if they wanted to keep their reviews up. I'm actually a genius if you think
Wait,
about
is that a thing? Wait. If you buy a game on Steam and then leave a review on it, if you refund the game, does your review get taken down? I didn't even know that. Whoa. My mind is being blown right now.
Quick test of your understanding.
Yeah.
Why might a streamer gain followers after a scandal or ban instead of losing them?
Buzz.
Cause that shit brings attention and people want to see what's up.
Yeah.
Exactly right. Your market share of attention increases when controversy arises.
Okay.
It's like the simpleton phrase, all publicity is good publicity.
I see.
The last concept we'll discuss is asymmetric information, and it's one of the most important concepts you need to know. You, broccoli cut.
Why am I broccoli
asymmetric
cut?
information?
I don't know what that means. Asymmetric information. Imbalance of knowledge, I'm gonna guess.
When info between people ain't balanced and it makes things unfair? Like how Rito doesn't balance their champs.
Rito.
That's actually pretty good. Well done, Broccoli Cut.
Thank you, Professor.
If you're a girl, chances are your viewers want to fuck you. And they show that by allocating their attention and money. These are known as pay pigs.
Holy shit!
Withholding information from them, such as the fact that they have no chance, or that you have a boyfriend, gives you economic leverage.
Okay, what about non-sexual applications? Wait, what about male applications? What's the male equivalent? I'm very, very curious.
I ain't a femoid though, bruh. How can dudes exploit pay pigs?
I don't know, by being gay? Why aren't you guys nice to me? What? Where's my positive attention? I'm a woman. Why all the ellipses? Why do you guys hate me? It's not you, it's me. Okay. You are no way.
For male streamers, their pay pigs want to be them instead of fuck them. Andrew Bateman, for example,
What?
exploits these pay pigs by selling courses that teach them how to be alpha or get rich.
Oh. I don't know what to say to that. Oh.
The asymmetry here is that the streamer knows the chuds who buy the courses will never actually make it. The act of buying an alpha male course in the first place makes you unfuckable.
Okay, so it's all about taking advantage of brain viewers who are too stupid to know everything is a grift.
Oh my god.
Correct. Grifting and economics play hand in hand.
Oh.
That's it for the lecture. For your final project, go out into the world and farm notoriety until you're banned. Then, use the skills you learned to prevent viewership loss during your ban.
No! No! I can't do this. You want me to get
Once you finish
banned?
this task, come back for me to review your work.
Farm notoriety to get suspended. Okay. And then we'll return to it. Okay. Final project. We gotta build up our... How much we harass everybody. Okay, boom. Easy, right? Oh god, okay. Ho-ass Caden Ross. Okay.
This place should serve shrimp Alfredo.
They should. They should. You're totally right. Okay. How much pizza do I have to eat? I'm getting morbidly obese in the process. Oh god, my belly. Okay, keep going. Okay, 16. Just have to eat a little bit more.
Bruh, no shot. Stupid ass staff, get off my dick.
Okay, we did it. Okay, game saved. We're good. Okay, we gotta run back.
Yo, Twinge Popo better not be watching me right now.
Twinge Popo. Okay. I'm ready to be graded. I did my best to prevent viewership loss while I was banned. Get me in there.
Chat, stop telling me I need to do the standard course. I freaking got this.
Okay, let's do this. I did it, Professor.
I got banned. I followed your advice and capitalized on that shit. I didn't even lose any viewers.
I'm so cool.
Then your training is complete. Congratulations, Broccoli Cut.
Yes!
I bestow upon you the
I
certificate of
survived that
completion in live
bullshit.
streaming mastery.
That was the most like cheeks clenched like 10 minutes I've ever had on a live stream. That was like I got a whole like squat workout from like how hard I was clenching my cheeks through the last like 10 to 15 minutes. That was brutal. Okay, we did
As a
it.
parting gift, I'm giving you the official Pyroeconomics Handbook authored by yours truly. Follow the guides and you'll not only retain viewers, but gain viewers when banned.
Really? I can really?
Fuck yeah. I'm about to stir up more shit than any of those streamers on Click.
Oh my god, I have a permanent passive buff. Getting suspended benefits me. Wait, that's
We're looking
crazy.
forward to seeing it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for this shit, Unc. Maybe you're not so bad after all. Wait, fuck. Being nice decreases my notoriety, and I ain't want that anymore. Fuck you, loser. You're a bitch.
Get out of here, Broccoli Cut. I hope to see you at the top of the Twinge homepage soon.
Thank you. I can't believe this game unironically redeemed him. Are we at 30k? Yes! Okay. We got 30k. Oh god, okay. We did it! Oh my god! I'm so excited. Easy peasy, baby. I'm literally the biggest streamer in the world. Easy 30k. Yo, it's the Phase house. Can I get in?
Holy shit, Sinner! Why the fuck didn't Gerard tell me you were across the street?
Huh? Who's Gerard? You talking about Stable Geraldo?
Ask her to say it. What's
Yo,
it?
can you say it? Say the word.
Say what?
No, I don't like saying it.
Come on, I give you the pass. Say it.
Dude, what?
So, what are you doing out here?
This is the Fuse Clan house. I'm the newest honorary member.
Bruh, I know what it is. I'm asking you what you're doing out here at the door.
They told me to stand out here and open the door for people.
No way, she's getting treated like an intern.
No shot, bruh. Fuse Clan member, by the way.
No!
Hey, you better be fucking nice. I'm the one who decides to let you in or not. Show me your social bane stats.
Alright, chill. Look, I'm pretty famous.
Alright, looks good. You're clear to go in.
Really? Yo! She didn't even open the door for me though. She had one job, low-key. Yo, this is crazy. Talk to the heads of the streamer houses to stir drama. Okay. Yo, who are you?
Can you get out of the way? I'm trying to watch this.
I don't follow those streamer houses. I don't know who these guys are. Question him?
Wait, Tracy, ain't you doing a year-long subathon right now? I saw you post about it on Zitter.
It's still going. I uploaded my voice and personality into an AI thing, and it's streaming for me.
That's crazy. It's insulting
Bro, you
for
got
that.
a fucking clanker streaming for you?
Dude, shh, careful with those slurs, bro. When they
Slurs?
take over, they'll know who called them wirebacks and who didn't.
Wirebacks?
Don't piss them off.
That's oh, he has a dog too. I have a dog too. Okay. Who else do we got? What's up?
Yo, who the fuck are you? Who let you in?
Who are you?
Man, who is you? Justin the Peanut and Geraldo are carrying this place. What do you even do?
Oh, damn, they're popping off? My bad. Let me just get on my knees and suck mid-ass content dick. Motherfucker, I'm Tanks. I run this shit.
I genuinely have no idea who he is. Instigate drama.
Damn, bro, you just said that on my stream. You're cooked if they hear you say that.
That's
in my clip.
true. You're talking shit about your coworkers.
Do you actually think they'd care? They know I'm the boss around here. I make Fuse Clan run, and they're the content. It works.
Internal drama.
Ooh, that's cold, bro. Yo, chat, clip that.
Bro, they don't care. Look, I'll show you. Yo, Geraldo, your only content is crying and beefing with other streamers. You're what's wrong with the new generation of Fuse Clan, bro. See, they don't care.
Wait, so who?
Damn, alright. Looks like nothing could ever break up Fuse Clan then. No one will ever leave. So, who do you think would care then?
I don't know. Maybe the people in online TV next door would care if I dissed them? I ain't got a problem with any of them, though.
Oh.
What's your take
just
on them,
trying
bruh?
to beat him.
It's alright. You can be honest.
That was honest, bro. Like I said, I ain't got a problem with them. They chill. Our content is a little different though, which is why I say they care.
Ooh, why would they care?
When you say that, why would they care?
They probably get offended. I get the feeling OTV people are easily offended by those types of things.
Oh, you shouldn't say that. That'll make them offended.
I get it though. I'd probably get offended too if I was minding my own business and some assholes just came at us.
Clip that.
Yeah, makes sense, bro.
Ooh, he called them assholes. Yo, go show this to them. Let's go. Oh, what's out here? Who's this guy? Is there anything upstairs? Who's this?
Yo, what's up, dude? I'm Geraldo. Nice to meet you.
Why he's so nice?
I'm Caden, bro. Yo, where's your girlfriend?
Fuck you just say?
I know you're hiding in here somewhere. Hit me up. You could do so much better than payphone guy.
I don't know who he is.
I got like 10 cars. 2 outside alone, bro. I think she's good.
Okay. Who else do we have in here? Anybody? Oh. Yo.
Yo, what's good, man? Don't think we've met.
Sup, Unc? I'm Caden. I'm a musician too. I rap and shit.
Sick, bro. That's tight. I'm down to track anytime you want, bro.
Oh, he's so nice.
Well, I'ma head out. Tell Madison Beer to hit me up.
Oh, like Madison Beer? Ooh. Yo, this guy's huge.
Hey, what's up, man? I'm Justin. You here with someone?
He's
nice. Sup, bro? I'm Caden. Nah, I'm here alone. I'm trying to leave with Zakura, though. Know what I'm saying?
Hey, alright, man. Chill.
Yeah, let's go. Psh. Okay, I gotta get out over here. Then we're gonna go start some shit at the next house over. What's good?
Hi there, do we know you?
Stara, who are you?
Do I know you? Why are you trying to press me, Unc?
I'm the founder and owner of Online TV.
Oh.
Did you, main? Damn, Shotty, you kind of let yourself go.
What? What? What?
No, I'm Stara. I'm the one who owns Online TV. Digi isn't even a part of the org anymore.
Okay.
Okay, what are you doing out here?
Well, Digi is staying at the house, and she told me to stand out here and open the door for people.
No, he's getting. Wait, he's the CEO. I see.
Oh yeah, you're definitely the OTV leader, bro. All right, well, do your job and open the door for me.
Only if you're worth knowing. Show me your stats.
All right, take a look. I'm worth it, bro.
Dang, okay, that's a lot. I'm sure the peeps would love to meet you. Come on in.
Yippee! We're free. Whoa. Whoa, someone here. Who do we have? Hello.
Yo, bro. Who are you? Low-key, I don't watch any of you guys. I ain't into anime and shit.
I'm nobody, man. Don't worry about it.
Wait, who did they get to voice him? That seems a little bit offensive.
I just wanted to show you something Tank said next door. He's throwing mad shade at you guys. It's pretty fucked up.
Uh-oh.
They probably get offended. I get the feeling OTV people are easily offended.
Yeah, that's interesting.
He doesn't care.
Yeah, doesn't that piss you off, bro?
Oh, yeah. I'm totally offended. Can't you tell?
Yeah, tell him how you feel. What you hate the most about him?
Probably the fact that they didn't react hard enough to Grace Von DM joining their org. Their crypto scams were one thing, but a girl joining? That's too far.
Well, that's sarcasm, right?
So
what?
true, big bro.
Wait, he meant that? Yo, this is are these Labubu's? Holy moly. Hold on. Boom. Boom. Boom.
My yellow Dabubu is... Hi, what's up? Who are you? I got a new Dabubu shipment today, so I can't talk long.
Yo, what up? I'm just saying hi to everyone. I'm Caden.
Huh? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Can't stop thinking about what's in this Dabubu loot box.
I just wanted to show you something Tank
Are we
said
just
next
trying to
door.
trigger everyone
He's
as
throwing
much
mad
as
shade at
possible?
you.
This is crazy.
I don't care. I'm about to film a video for this.
No, I asked the wrong person.
Aren't you pissed? I think he was talking about you specifically. I think Fuse Clan hates you.
Don't care. Oh my god. Do you think Pop Shop would sponsor OTV and make a custom Dabubu? That'd be so fire.
Okay. Wrong decision. There's gotta be someone else out there.
Hi.
Yo!
I don't think we've met.
Can we? Okay.
I'm
We'll
Caden
be
Brantley,
nice.
bro. Soon to be the biggest streamer of all time, so invest early.
Okay.
I just wanted to show you something
We're
Tank
gonna
said next
lose more,
door.
I think.
He's throwing mad shade at you guys. It's pretty fucked up.
Okay.
They probably get offended. I get the feeling OTV people are eating.
Cool. I don't care. You want to try one of my RC cars on the beach? I just got it working. I
Yes!
just need someone to...
Shit, I'm down, bruh. What I gotta do?
Just gas and steer, bro. I'll drive one too, and if you can beat me to the other side of the beach and back, I'll give you a little reward. I don't
Down.
expect you to win though, so I'm down to do a rematch after I wipe the floor with you. Take that remote on the table when you're ready.
Down. Down. Where? Yes! I wanna race cars. Okay, I'm ready. Rah! Is this energy? Oh god. He's so far ahead of me. Come on, come on, come on. Lock in. God, I missed that one. Come on. Ugh. Okay, I gotta beat him here. I gotta beat him here. No! What? No! No! I'm so cheeks.
Appears to be smaller than the diagram.
One more, one more, one more, one more, one more. I got this. Okay, okay, go over here. Oh yeah. What? He juked me. Oh, this piece of shit. He literally juked me. No! 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 Oh god, I lose here. I fumbled. I fumbled so hard. No! Ah! Hey, it's really finicky. Okay, it's hard. It's difficult. It's difficult. It's difficult. One more, one more, one more. Come on. I got this. Again? No! I give up. I'm not good enough.
Oh, hi. I'm Digi. Who are you?
Yo, I'm Caden Brantley. I was in the partner lounge last TwingeCon. Remember when Scheme got canceled?
Oh, shit. That was you? That's crazy, bruh. You kind of built up a bit of a reputation. So what are you doing here?
I just wanted to show you something Tank said next
No,
door.
it works on
He's
her.
throwing mad shade at you guys. It's pretty fucked up.
What? Really? What'd he say?
They probably get offended. I get the feeling OTV people are easily offended.
What the fuck? Why'd he say that?
Oh, no, wait. It works on her. Why'd they write her like that?
The rest of the clip is him saying you guys are pussies. That you can't handle people throwing shade.
Oh, God.
That's kind of fucked up, but I guess it's just banter. Probably just saying that because Fuse hasn't been relevant since like 2016, and the only way they can get publicity is by starting
No.
drama.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
No.
yeah, for sure, Queen.
For sure, Queen. Oh, God.
Hi. Who are you?
I'm Caden Brantley. I was running through the partner lounge last TwingeCon. You remember me?
Oh, okay. I don't really remember you, sorry. Nice to meet you again, though.
Anyway, I was just leaving. Hit me up when you're tired of Michael the Chud and ready for Caden the Hunk.
No!
That's crazy, bruh.
Insane. Okay, okay. Let's deliver the goods. Where is he?
Yo, go bother stable.
Yo, bro, I got some matcha tea
Yo,
from
this is
Dubai
crazy.
for you. OTV been talking mad shit about you guys.
The fuck? What they got against us?
Oh, we gotta show him the Digimane clip.
Digi was saying this.
Fuse hasn't been relevant since like 2016, and the only way they can get publicity is by starting drama.
Bro, what the fuck? Look who the fuck's talking. She's coming at us for no reason when all we've been is cool to her. I don't believe it. I'ma call up Digi to clear this up. Ain't no way they're dissing us for real.
Wait, hold on. Don't call her.
What you mean? It's fine. I'ma just call her up and clear this up. Stuff like this can get out of hand if you don't squash it early.
They're you would lose aura. No, they're using him. They're using him just to...
Bruh, think about it. If you call her, they win. They want you to react so they can farm drama and clout off you. They'll probably post you a call on Zitter or some shit.
Yeah, you right. Fuck, man. That pisses me off, though. They're just saying some bullshit about us and I can't do shit.
Don't be pressed about it, bro. It was probably a one-time thing. I'm sure they won't do anything to escalate this.
Wait, what's our objective here? I don't understand. Oh! No way! No way! This is so bad! Okay, what else would we do? No! That's diabolical.
Subs. I'm out of content.
Wait, what do we do? How else would we frame them? What else is there? Not seeing much. No, this is just to kick the chair. What else would we do? I'm not sure. What am I missing? I'm literally being a criminal. This is evil. Anything in the house that I missed, maybe? In the house. Yo! You don't have any item to do this that can be traced back. Gotta like steal one of her Labubus or something and then come back. Okay, we gotta find something that'll give us what we need. Yo! Okay. Yeah, we can tweet using her phone. Oh! Okay, we did it! Now we have to go back and ruin some lives. Where's he at?
Chat, make sure to join.
There you are, buddy.
Nah, I ain't letting this slide. Talking shit about us wasn't enough.
This is straight up evil.
They also had to make a post about us on Zitter? Bring up that old shit when they know we're trying to move on from those mistakes? They fucked up Geraldo's car too. Bro was upstairs fucking crashing out, texting me about how we gotta shoot them for Key and his McLaren. Nah, fuck that. I'm gonna call Digi and ask him what the fuck they're thinking.
It's a trap.
Nah, bro, this is exactly how they expect you to react. You're gonna call them, and they're gonna try to rage bait something bad out of you. They're trying to make you look like the bad guy.
Well, what the fuck do I do then? They're clearly mad at us for some reason to be doing this bullshit. Out of nowhere, too.
I think you should give them a peace offering to squash this shit. I'll even do it for you, bro. Don't trip. Stay here, and I'll put a gift on
Are
the
we gonna make
doorstep
things
that's from
even
you
worse?
guys.
Oh my god, where are we going with this?
Okay, that's pretty smart. Thanks, dog. I'm happy you got our back.
I'm about to give him the worst peace offering of all time. Well, it's a rat! We gotta catch him! Pick it up. Okay, place the gift at their front door. Gift the rat.
A peace offering from Fuse? Okay. What? What the fuck? Tanks! This isn't fucking funny!
Did you call out my name? Did you get our peace offering?
Oh shoot.
Peace offering? Fuck your peace offering. You piece of shit. You guys are so fucked up.
Us? You're the one trying to ruin us for no reason. Are you mad because we moved into your old house or some shit? You can fucking have it back, bitch. I don't give a fuck.
The fuck are you even on about? I don't even give a fuck about the house. We let you move in because it was too trashy for us. But perfect for you, trashy inbred.
Inbred!
Make sure your orc gets fucking new.
Oh my god!
Whatever, bitch. I'm gonna fucking ruin you guys. You fucking fake, squeaky clean losers are so cooked once I expose you.
Fuck that. Nobody disrespects online TV. Daisy, get back.
What is this? Ah! Wait, he killed him.
Michael, what the fuck did you just do?
Aw, shit. I didn't know it'd do that.
Oh my god! What?
No way! No way! Wait, there's still that one last guy. What one last quest from the guy who had the fancy car? You. I have enough CCVs now.
Shit was 200.
Let me drive it.
My new whip.
She needs a real eater to take her out. Let the content god Caden Brentley take fine shit for a ride.
Wait, oh my god. Caden Brentley? I see your fucking clips all the time, dude. I just didn't recognize you.
Yeah, let me in. Let me in.
All right, sure, you can drive it. The highway northbound is closed right now for construction, so we can just have the road to ourselves.
Sick. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm about to crash this car. I just have to drive to the end. Step on that shit. Hold space to look at the... Oh my god, I can't... Ah!
Wait till Lois sees this. Hey, Lois!
Oh my god, I'm literally distracted driving.
What? Oh my god, Peter!
Look. Lois, I've
This
got
is
no
crazy.
pants on.
Peter.
Peter, what are you doing?
Ah!
Careful with my whip, man!
You can't just walk around with no pants on. The kids could still
Surely.
see you.
Lois, nothing they haven't seen before. They had to go through me
No.
to get into you.
Peter, that is not the same
He's
thing.
texting and driving.
Hypnotize Stewie. He already thinks your kneecaps are sentient.
They are, though. One's named Mary, and the other one just screams sometimes.
Dude, I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm the best driver ever. I don't even have to look at the screen to drive. I'm insane with it. I'm just so good.
Last time you did this, you claimed that pants were anti-Semitic.
Lois, they are. You ever see Kanye West without pants on?
Oh!
I shouldn't have let you do this.
Brian.
I'm almost there. No. The car's still moving, isn't it?
We met through Twitch, where she streams games.
Wait, the video! It's one of those stupid Minecraft jumping videos. Oh shit, how did that happen? Wait, what? Oh my gosh, I'm jumping in Minecraft with the Reddit posts voiceover. No. Oh dude. I got 200k, don't you worry. I'll just get each of my followers to spot me $1. Easy peasy. How far is the end?
She reads other people's messages, responds to them.
This isn't ending.
Crickets, I've been trying to get her to open up. I've sent her some DMs.
Some DMs.
Tagged her on her Discord.
Discord. Try to DM on Discord.
It's like she's avoiding me. And honestly, I'm getting kind of mad. Communication is so important to the relationship.
I'm there. I'm getting there.
And I don't think it's fair for her to just ice me out like this. I brought it up in her chat like, I didn't want to make it awkward.
Oh god. Holy shit. Bro, is my drone okay?
My legs! Ah, God, what the fuck, bro?
My drone. My whole fucking drone, bro. Is it broken? There's no way. Yo, hold it for me, dude.
Am I gonna lose my legs? How bad is it? I don't want to look, bro. Where am I bleeding from?
Make sure it's okay for me, bro. I didn't buy the protection plan bullshit. I'm cuffed if it's broken.
Ollie, thank you for the bribe.
My fucking McLaren, man! Why the fuck are you looking at your phone? Oh my god! I can't feel my legs! Call an ambulance for me, bro!
Ignore him.
Yo, chat, that clip's gotta get me at least 1 week at the top of Shreddit, right?
I gained so much notoriety from that.
Someone fucking help me! I can't feel my legs!
I can't even go back and actually call him an ambulance this time. I'm just cooked. Okay, I think we're done with this section. We did it.
What's up, bro? I'm waiting for my coke plug to show up. He's usually around here.
This
I
is
know that
insane.
fucking pussy's dodging me.
Aye, bruh, I'm big enough. 30K like I promised. Time to work your magic.
Fucking fuck yes, dude. Okay, hold up. Watch this. Hello? Yo, what up? This is the White House? Yeah, I'm with the Caden Brentley management team.
Bro, who'd you call? Let me talk to him.
No, dude, trust me. It'll sound better if your manager talks to them. Otherwise, you're just doing some cringe-ass self-promo shit.
Oh.
Hello?
Is that what people do?
This is the Caden Brentley management team. Listen, no bullshit. I know you guys have been scouting for the next influencer interview to reach the kids and shit. Now listen, I got a huge opportunity for you. My client, Caden Brentley, is the leading streamer in Los Angeles right now, with over 50,000 consistent viewers daily. Now, of course, the person could continue interviewing with gamblers and crypto grifters, or he could interview with the Caden Brentley, the content god.
Oh my god, our best friend is literally pulling through for us.
Uh-huh. Okay. Huh? No fucking way! Really? I mean, okay, I'll hold. Dude, they're connecting me to the fucking
Let's go!
Bro, no fucking shot. You're literally baiting my ass. I ain't falling for it.
I'm dead ass, dude. Yes? Hello? Mr. President Cornwood?
Oh my god.
Howdy, son. This is the Caden Brentley management team. My little boy loves his streams. He watches them all
The
day.
president's son watches our streams.
Holy fuck!
Oh my god.
Okay, yes. As you might have been told, Caden is very interested in interviewing you. Look, I'll make it quick. Yeah, listen. The Caden Ross interview was a flop. I mean, everyone's been saying it. Bro was just meat riding you live on camera for a whole hour. I mean, he was doing tricks on it. That's really nasty. There are kids on this site, you know. And the Logan Blake interview? Again, more dick
Oh
ride.
my God.
I mean, the people want to see authenticity and not that fake ass shit. You're gonna need the support if you want your third term. What do you say, Mr.
Well, hell, you make a good argument. I say we make it happen. My team will be in touch to plan the details.
Fuck yes! Okay. Thank you, Mr. President. We'll see you soon.
Praise him,
Dude,
praise
that
him,
was
glaze him
fucking
up.
Crazy.
He deserves it.
You're the goat on God, bruh.
Easy fucking clap, dude. I told you I'd hook you up. Time to mog on Caden Ross, bruh. You ready for this shit, dude? The president's gonna be here soon. We gotta prep the interview room and shit.
I'm so ready.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's do this shit. I'm fucking hyped.
Boom, we did it. Section complete. We're insane. Oh my god, what is this? I'm not wearing the right fit for the... This is not the right outfit. Holy shit. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Why does he look like that? Okay. Oh, we're so underdressed. I kept my headset on. Okay. What's up?
Holy fuck, bruh. This interview's gonna take my stream over the edge.
Oh my
I hope
god.
Gerard chose a fire title.
Oh god, this is about to be so good and so bad at the same time. I'm about to get canceled for playing this game. I'm on such thin ice, I think, just for touching this title. I think I'm cooked.
What the hell is this talk of edging, son? You rolling? Or
What? I'm live,
Yeah,
sir.
Unc, I'm always rolling. It's like an endless subathon type shit.
He won't even call him sir, he's calling him Unc. That's crazy.
Hell, I'm so damn impressed by kids in your generation just knowing how to do a damn broadcast. Your own little TV station and everything. That's
Aw.
impressive as shit.
My grandma said something similar to me. Wait, that's so cute. My grandma's literally, aw. Ask him about his son.
Yo, so on the phone you said some shit about your kid being a fan?
Yeah, my son. My son barreled. He turned 5
Aw.
last year, and we got him a new iPad.
iPad?
He always, he's got you up on it, and he plays on that Subway game.
A 5-year-old is watching him. Any 5-year-old who watches Caden Brentley is cooked. For life. They're literally cooked forever. It's like basically guaranteed that even if they weren't genetically predisposed to becoming a sociopath, they're gonna grow up into one. Because they watched him as a 5-year-old child.
Now, I ain't watched myself,
Yucked.
but from what I heard, you're quite the entertainer. My son's always saying that thing you say, sup fine shit.
Wait, Espen voiced him. That's so funny. Should we gloat or be humble? I don't know what's the right call here. We're on national television. We're gonna gloat.
See that, chat? Bet all you dadders feeling dumb as fuck right now. Even the prez glazing me.
Hell yeah.
Well, as you know, I'm running for my 3rd term this year.
Is that legal?
I want some intelligent young, men and women, boys and girls like
Oh
yourself,
God, please don't
to
get
vote
political.
for and
Please
to
don't get
save this
political.
country.
Please don't get the political. Change the subject.
Bro, I'm gonna be for real. I saw the Caden Ross interview, right? All them politics was boring as fuck. Am I checking a sleeper that
Hell
shit on
yeah.
God?
My boy Caden only cares about his bottom line.
Yep, Caden Ross. At first I thought you and him were the same person. Same name
What?
and all.
No, we don't.
He was a nice kid. He was one of the good ones.
Mock Caden Ross. We're
Bro
so
was a
in.
glazer. We get it. If people wanted to see some cuck giving gifts and worshiping you for an hour straight, we'd pull up the Findom special on OS. Chat wants to hear someone ask the real questions. So, when are you releasing the Epstein files?
What in the hell is this? I thought this was gonna be some nice little interview. Caden Ross had already gifted me a whole damn X truck and a damn gorgeous, beautiful Rolex by this point.
Press him.
I ain't Caden Ross, bruh. Bro's a fucking pussy. Answer the question. Were you out there with Diddy on the island?
Son, the Epstein files were a hoax. They ain't never been existed. Media's just trying to distract you from the important things I'm doing to help this country. Okay? And I don't think I need to remind you that I saved old Slip Slop. Without it, ain't none of you kids would have had a place to do your damn TV shows no more.
Being different.
It would have been fun, bruh. We would have just moved to Red Moat.
Oh my God, red moat.
You gotta stay off that red moat, son. That application is funded by the CCP,
Oh, damn. I didn't know it was made by pedos.
My administration is also
First
keeping this
time
country
capturing
safe.
stream after
We
stream
already
after
been
stream.
deported over, 300 million illegal immigrants just in this term. You know what my opponent, Senator Jeffrey Bones, is running on? A pro-crime, anti-law, anti-American campaign.
What I do? I can't play this game anymore. This is the final Content King stream. I can't play this game again. I thought it was gonna ease off after the first stream. No, it's only gonna get worse. I literally saw a screen cap of this game on the Steam page where Caden is literally outfitted in full military garb with 150,000 CCVs, and he has a rifle. He's literally fighting in a war. Active war zone, and he's streaming. It's over.
Yeah, that dude's a fucking loser on God. What you hate the most about him?
Hell, he and the damn Democrats are weaponizing the justice system. Push all these fraudulent felony jaywalking convictions on
All these
me.
buzzwords
It's
and
a
no
damn witch hunt.
substance.
It's absurd.
Question him.
Bro, why don't you just pull a Destiny and debate him?
What?
I have no idea what testically is, but yeah, sure. Once I debate him, America will see that when it comes to policy, Cornwood is the right vote. My new 100% tariff on all countries is already bringing industry back to America. Don't you worry, they're gonna pay for it. Look at Canada. Their damn economy would be nothing without us.
Insult Canada. Can we insult Canada? Can we insult Canada, please? I'm Canadian, by the way.
I'm with you, Unc.
Yeah,
The only good thing
10K.
Canada's given us is DJ Toenail.
Who's DJ Toenail? Wait, I gained 10,000 CCVs just from insulting Canada. Every other major decision I've made in this interview has only yielded me like 4,000 CCVs at a time. I talk shit about Canada once and it's immediately plus 10K. Are you serious?
They're more like a
Not base.
pet,
Shut up,
I
chat.
would say, like a little dog than a friend. Now they say dog is man's best friend. So maybe it ain't a dog. Maybe it's like a gerbil. Or something.
What? Oh, my belly. Is this targeted? Is this targeted? What did I do? Like a little dog? Like a gerbil? What am I looking at? What game am I playing right now? Are they in my house? Are the developers in my house right now?
It's time that they learned where their place is, and they pay us a little bit of gratuity. Hell, Canadians are pansies anyway. They won't do a darn thing about it. It's about time America takes full advantage of...
Interrupt him.
Bro, careful. My chat's gonna get jump scared by all that talk about employment.
Yeah, chat wouldn't know what it's like to have a job.
We want to hear some tea,
I wouldn't
bruh.
either.
When's World War III starting?
Well, we can talk about foreign policy. On the plane ride here, I was on the phone with president of Iran. He's a weak man. I gave him an ultimatum. I said, you got to halt all efforts on the nuclear program, or America's...
Bro, I know how you can show him you mean business. Send another trillion to Israel.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it sounds like a terrific idea. I'll make a post on Fact Social right now after this, and then I'll tell them the new terms of the deal.
Bro, be for real. You can do better than that.
Do you doubt my strength as commander-in-chief, son? You tell me, what would convince a young voter like this?
If he aura farmed or if he mogged on. He's got a mog on him. He's got a mog on
They
him.
ain't scared of you yet, bruh. You gotta show them how our army mogs on theirs.
Oh, God.
Well, hell, if push comes to shove, we indeed will show Iran our military might. Okay, you can count on that.
Egg him on or call him a pussy
Yeah,
again?
bro, you still just yapping like a pussy. Do something right now that ain't just a threat and ain't just some useless ass zitter post.
Yeah, I want to see some action.
Hey, you watch your damn mouth, okay? Using that damn P word against me. Fact is, our military might is so powerful, these governments will obey no matter what, okay? Strong leader knows the power of fear.
Nah, you're getting aura mogged.
Bro, my chat's saying they're gonna vote for your ops now. They think you got no aura.
Oh, hell no. I'm the president.
Oh,
I'm
God.
the face
Oh, God, he's
of this
clipping.
country. I'm who they fear.
Bro, fucking prove it then.
I will. Yeah, hell, since Iran refuses to cease their nuclear program, I, President Cornwood, am declaring the war effective immediately.
Gloat.
Fuck you, Caden Ross. The president just declared war on my stream. Beat that shit, bitch.
No.
Hell, that's right. You see that, son? I don't just bark. Okay, this dog bites too. The hell was that? It's a dadgum shit show out here.
Bruh, I think you pissed them off.
It's over. World War III, oh God, it's over. I had 450K.
God, oh, my back. It's a terrorist attack. Freaking damn dadgum Iranians.
Stop!
They're gonna pay for this one.
Sir, I'm getting word that it wasn't the Iranians. Canada just declared war on us.
Canada!
No good damn maple syrup chugging, French speaking parasites. They don't know what the hell they just started. Get me the hell out of here.
No, we're going to war with Canada? What? I did this? I started a war between the US and Canada?
Breaking tonight. The conflict between Canada and the United States continues to escalate with no sign of resolution. For the first time since the Vietnam War, a nationwide draft has been put into effect.
No!
Thanks, Mitch. As you can see, the battle is ongoing and brutal. Canadian leadership continues to stand by their decision to continue war over President Cornwood's tariffs and his mockery of their nation. Reports have said that Canadians
Battle
kill
of
Americans on
Winnipeg.
sight, but I think we should be safe.
Oh my god, they killed him! 5th US defeat this month? Oh my god.
Line up, maggots.
What? Mr. Yeast donated 1K, finally a war stream. This is the shit I was talking about. This cannot be real. Help me. Help me. Oh god.
Listen up, you useless worms. Now that the Canadians have pushed us back to the base, we're in the worst damn position of our pecker-sucking lives. They are winning, but we have a very important asset. That maple syrup chugging, moose loving, no good Canadian in that cage is our prisoner.
Wait, we caught a Canadian.
Prisoner. That is their pansy-ass Prime Minister's son. He was out joyriding in a tank when we captured him, and his life is what we promised for our temporary survival. The Canadians will not attack our camp as long as we have him. But we can't stay here forever. We got a shipment of new troops on the way, and when our forces are replenished, we will strike back harder than ever. Up until then, you're to stay sharp, watch that damn prisoner, and inventory our resources. Now move, maggots.
Dude, I'm still insane. I have to reach 1 million peak viewers? Oh my god.
Dude, can you believe this shit? They're not even gonna let us fight. We're just here to clean rifles and count fucking ammo. It's bullshit.
Agree.
I'm with you, bruh.
I want
when the
some
press told me I
action.
could stream the war, I was expecting some actual fucking content.
That's what I'm saying, man. I've been fiending to kill some Canadians. To watch the light fade from their eyes as I drive my knife through their heart.
What did Canada do? Matches
You and
energy.
me both, bruh. I had an interview with the fucking president, and they tried to kill his ass. I could have been banned.
He doesn't care. He was so...
Those fucking pussy fucks, dude. All because of some stupid tariffs. We need to get out of here, dude.
Hell yeah.
Facts, bruh. Ain't no one gonna watch this stream till we're on the battlefield. I'm gonna recruit like 3 more, and we'll have a full 5 stack.
5 suck like it's Valorant.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Oh god. Yo, can I manage your dance school?
Haha, you're all totally fricked. You can't hold me here forever.
Hold me
My
here
dad's gonna
forever.
make sure you're all hanged from the CN Tower.
CN Tower is crazy work. Tana.
We're gonna turn your mid-ass tower into an out and in after we ratio
Out
you
and in?
bozos and yoink this place.
I want an in and out. I would be okay with that. I don't need any big towers in any big Canadian cities. I want in and outs. Wait, I'll take that.
Fat frickin' Americans. You can't even talk about war without using burger terms.
He clocked him. He clocked us, I can't lie. He's right. He's right. But I love burgers. Burgers are so good.
Your obese bodies are gonna make great fuel for our tanks, eh?
Listen here, freak. You're gonna tell me everything you know. I'll know if you're lying. They hired me straight out of, Guantanamo Bay.
He can't spell basic words, but he knows Guantanamo.
Sure. Our forward operating base is located at 48 degrees 6 minutes 30 seconds, west 80 degrees 6 minutes and 36 seconds.
What?
Or would you prefer that in decimal degrees? That'd be 48.11 latitude minus 80.11 longitude. I could also drop the coordinates of our MOB.
Me and Caden have a 4th grade reading level. I have no idea what he's talking about.
Fuck, chat. What the hell is he talking
Yeah,
about?
well, I don't understand. I'm Canadian. I don't get those units. Canada stream.
Buddy, you Americans really are
Shit, I'm
stupid.
stupid
Is that
too.
the best you have?
Yes.
Yeah, well, hockey isn't a real sport. Tilted?
American comedy, almost as bad as your military, eh? Couldn't beat farmers in Vietnam. Now y'all can't beat the nicest people on earth.
And Drake ain't beating the pedo allegations.
Hey, shut your frickin' mouth about Drake. He could out-rap thousands of Kendricks in his sleep. If I get out of here, I'm gonna kill you first. No one disrespects our goat.
Our goat. Okay. God, we're at war. This is crazy. No! Okay, what's this? Wait, what kind of moderators do we have? We don't need either of these guys anymore. Caden Brentley, #1 fan. I want Caden Brentley. Okay, I think these are pretty decent. This would be a good combination, helpfulness and damage control. There we go. Okay, that's definitely the best that we've got. Okay, nice. We're in the end game now. We gotta recruit some people. What are you doing
Holy
here?
shit, Pyro's software. You're in my platoon.
Well, if it isn't broccoli cut, I see you've taken your Stream Academy knowledge to the big leagues.
Latitude and longitude coordinates are measured in degrees, then minutes, then seconds as you get more detailed. Geography degree go.
I think I learned that in high school, but I don't remember it anymore. Thank you.
You didn't do shit, bruh. I'm hella famous because I interviewed the president and he almost died on my stream. That's why we're here at all.
Yeah, and you got that interview because of my teaching. I caused this war. I should have known. It's always been about me.
Okay, let's leave. Let's see what our other options are for. Wait! Wait! No shot! Wait, these are all streamers. Wait, what?
Oh, hey. Oh, wait. It's you. I didn't recognize you at first. It's me. Scheme. Do you remember me?
Wait, why isn't he mad?
Well, of course you do. I mean, you made your whole career from me and destroyed my reputation, and now no one fucks with me, so...
Insult him.
You got what you deserved, bozo. Grown-ass man playing mineshaft. You should have seen it coming. I know you're having a quarter-life crisis, but whatever you do, just please don't try to do music.
It's fine. I got a dog and made an apology video about the importance of mental health. I'll make a comeback soon.
Yeah, I'm sure you will, bro. Anyway, gotta go.
Okay, who else do we have? Who's
Howdy,
this?
I'm Jonathan. Crazy times we're living in, huh? Alec Johnson predicted all of this. He knew the global shadow regime would emerge
Okay,
to
we can't-
destroy the West.
Wait, we can't recruit this guy. We cannot recruit him. I'm
What
sorry.
did he say, bro?
That the North Koreans
Oh
were
my
planning
God!
a
Don't you think it makes more sense that this is just all the Canadians? What's Korea gotta do with this?
That's what they want you to think, sure. But it's still the Koreans
Yeah, it's wild, bro. Anyway,
No. Who's this guy?
Letting you stream this? You know, I used to be a streamer. Wait a second. It's you! You're the maggot who hijacked my panel at TwitchCon!
Oh wait, it's him!
You ruined my career!
I don't remember you.
sorry, who are you? I only remember important people.
No.
Oh my God,
you're
he's from so long
trolling.
ago.
You remember me? You have to. I'm Dirt. I'm the best streamer of all time. You will remember me. Remember me.
I don't know who
sorry,
you are.
you don't ring a bell, bro. Mind throwing me a follow, though?
Well, I've been following you. I had to study you. I had to understand how someone like you could defeat me, Dirt. I couldn't figure it out.
Yeah,
I don't
cool,
care
man.
about you.
I'm happy.
Okay. Oh, we
no
recruit
shot,
him
Michael
for sure.
Eves. You fucking vaporized Fuse Clan, bruh. How are you not locked up right now?
They needed his engineering skills.
Well, obviously they caught me, but they realized my technology would be useful in the war against Canada. I'm here to put some new weapons to the test. Kinda bummed we gotta wait, though.
Okay, we gotta recruit
Well,
him.
we ain't wanna wait either. We sneaking out. Wanna fight in my death squad?
Sure, why not? I'm bored. I wanna test out my new tech.
Okay, sick. We'll get him.
This whole stop killing soldiers.
Anyway, wanna fight in my death squad? Just don't roach out and ditch your group this time, please.
All right. Anything as long as I don't need to work on my game.
Okay, let's get Scheme.
What? Are you here to make another spectacle of me?
No.
Let me offer you a redemption arc for real, bruh. Join my squad and defend your country out there. Great optics for you.
True.
Fine. Consider this the collab we discussed a year ago.
Thanks.
Come on, dude. We need a squad.
Yeah, man, they were down. I think we got enough backup.
Let's fucking go, dude. I'll meet you out there then. Just don't let the general know we're leaving.
Sounds good. $5,000 from Mr. Yeast. Okay, let's leave the camp. Who? They let me bring my skateboard out here. That's crazy. We just have to overwhelm this one guy. How do we leave?
Good morning, Private.
Yo, I'ma just head out there and check out what's good.
We were ordered to stay put. Only reason we aren't dead right now is because of our prisoner. Anyone who leaves, the Canadians shoot on sight.
Yeah, but I'm different.
Well, the general actually ordered me to go out there and be the peace guy or whatever. Like a messenger.
Yeah.
Do you think I'm stupid, Private?
Please, bro, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Come on, it's gotta work.
That usually works.
Okay, one more. Boring. I'll donate more if you sneak out there. Okay. Lock in. Holy 10K.
No one leaves, Private. We have our orders to stay right here until we...
Grr. How do we find a way to distract the gatekeeper? Let's see. What do we do? What do we have? You? Wait, Steven's here?
Yes, Semper Fi, sir.
Hey, yo, no shot. What up, Steven? It's your boy Caden. How are you and Mel doing?
Hey, small world, huh? Melina and I kind of broke up. I wanted an open relationship.
You wanted it?
She wouldn't go
Oh
for it.
my god.
It's whatever. I'm out of the closet now and dating my new boyfriend, Nick.
How's your love
That's wild,
life?
bruh. How'd you meet Nick?
We met at work. Just had fun debating politics throughout the day. And I don't know, something about that just made me want him so bad.
Ew, what? You got turned on by discussing politics by someone? Whoa, with someone?
So, what are you doing
Ew.
here now?
I got drafted, but they told me my body was too underdeveloped to see combat. So I'm just guarding the prisoner here.
What can you tell me about this Canadian dweeb?
Oh, yeah.
He's the Canadian Prime Minister's son, apparently. No idea why he's out here. We captured him while he was joyriding a tank. Only reason they don't obliterate our camp right now is because we have him. It's up to me to keep him guarded.
I
Good
see.
shit, bro. I'm sure he's terrified of crossing you.
I'm so scared. Wait, so what can I do as a distraction? I don't know.
Shouldn't you be counting ammo, Private? Quit.
Okay, my bad.
Bruh, bad fucking news. There's a guard at the gate and he's not
Oh,
letting us
maybe he
leave.
can help.
Fuck! I mean, really, I can't fucking stand these rules. I need to kill these Canadians. I need some fucking coke.
Okay, dude. Anyway, I gotta find a way to get past the guard.
Do you have any ideas?
I got it, dude. We can just kill him.
Bruh, fucking relax. We ain't killing him. We'll find another way.
I love Gerard. What other way is there, though? I don't know. What can I do? What if I, like, talk to someone
I'm ready
else?
whenever you are. Not sexually. I mean,
I'm never talking to him again. Is there anything I missed? I don't feel like I missed anything. Oh my god. Where?
Damn.
Any minute
that
now,
game
my
is
dad's
something,
gonna
isn't
send
it?
a team.
I
Oh, we
heard
can free
people
him to
count
cause a
you out,
distraction.
but you're non-stop screaming,
Count
look me
your
up,
minutes.
I'm sorry, Hollow.
colon
I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna be real. I'm kinda with you guys. Drake is the GOAT for real. You Canadians got it right. Fuck America.
Hell yeah.
That's right. That's our goat.
Goat.
He's the goat.
Goat.
Like, he's the greatest goat of all time, eh?
Gross.
What do you say about me freeing you? I can even give you a gun and you can blast your way out of here. Our little secret.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you got the key? I thought your general was keeping it.
Good call, bruh. I'll try to grab it off him.
Okay, I know what to do. Pickpocket your general, bro.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Quit sneaking around.
My bad. I wasn't doing anything weird.
What are you doing?
What?
Quit sneaking around.
You pickpocket him. What do I need?
What are you doing? Quit sneaking around. What are you doing?
What?
Quit sneaking around.
Why am I so bad at this?
What are you doing? Quit sneaking around.
This is so embarrassing. Yes, I did it. Okay, I did it. Boom.
You found that key yet? Come on, let me out of here.
Out of
I
here.
got the key, bruh. You trying to make a scene though, right?
Oh, you better believe it, Crody. I'll show 'em what Canucks are made of.
Ew.
Bet, bruh. Chat, get ready to clip this shit.
Oh God. Uh-oh.
That didn't go how I planned, eh?
Someone get that prisoner back in his cage, damn it.
Wait, that worked? Oh, the guard's gone. Okay, everyone else already got out. They're just waiting for me. Sick. Okay, that actually worked. Ow! Why is there a furry, Loki? Okay, I'm ready.
Dude, we snuck some guns on the way out, but look what else is just sitting here!
What is?
Bro, that's a fucking tank.
Holy shit!
I called dibs!
He's going insane. He's withdrawn from cocaine. He's not okay. Let him drive it.
Hey, fine, you drive it. You better not crash that
He's
shit.
going to.
Fuck yeah! Grab a gun and let me know when you're ready. I'm gonna hop in the tank.
Okay. Oh my god, there's so many. An M4? An AS Val? Oh my god. A gold AK? Okay. Yo. What about this? Whoa. I want the gold AK. Oh man. I didn't do any of these. I didn't do it. It's fine. Okay. We'll go with our M4.
Yo, dude, grab a gun and let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
On set, let's fucking go, dude. About to stream the best stream ever seen.
Oh god. Best wartime streamer, Annie. No shot. Escort your squad through the battlefield. Come on. No way. Can I shoot Canadians? I should have asked that. Ah! Ow! Stay behind. Stay behind. Oh god. Oh god, I'm... Ah! Ah! Just get through! I'm sneaking behind the tank!
Did someone say run?
Oh! Oh! It gets worse? Oh, I can kill them! Uh-oh. Oh, my team's carrying me. I suck. Oh, every person I kill, I get viewers! No way! I missed out on that. I can't believe that. Okay, boom. Come on. I'm going up ahead. Wish me luck. Boom! Let me in. Let me see who's still out there. Ow, ow, ow. Don't die.
Help me out of this, dude, quick!
coming.
Shit! I think I just drove over a tank mine.
Capitalize.
Hold on, we need a post-game interview. What was it like driving the tank?
Bro, it was fire. I waited my whole life to drive it. Help me out now, though. It's getting a little too fire.
Okay, okay. Capitalize a little
What's it
bit
like
more.
burning inside a tank? Is it like when you fell in the lava during your 8th failed mineshaft speedrun?
I'm gonna light you on fire if you don't get me up here. Seriously, dude.
Keep
But if
streaming.
you die, you'll still have gotten like a 4-1 KD. Pretty good way to go out.
That is pretty good.
If you need more to get me out of here, hurry up.
I can't jeopardize my stream success to retain an untrustworthy tank driver.
What?
You're fucking crazy.
He's gonna die.
You drove the tank and took my stream content, Gerard. You used it against me. You'd have done it again.
What? No,
Just
I
admit
don't
it.
want to betray him.
I don't know.
Okay, it's help him. Help him. Help him. Help him. Help.
Alright, quit being a pussy. Here, come on out.
Are you okay? Oh my god.
Thanks, dude. I was literally gonna be
I
cooked.
literally yucked.
Shit, what do we do now? Do we retreat?
No, we fight.
That shit, dude. We go again. There's gotta be something around here we can use to blow these walls down.
Hell yeah.
Alright, bet, bruh. I'll find something.
$50,000. Okay, how do we blast this to the side? Oh god, I still need to.
I heard someone say run.
I'm literally.
Get fucked, buddy.
She didn't tell me she was 17.
Okay, what are we looking for?
I don't know about this, guys.
Is there a bomb anywhere?
Fucking Canadian motherfuckers! I'll kill them all!
Okay. Can I go up this? No, I can't.
Did
Stop!
someone say run?
Is there a rocket launcher? Anywhere? I'm looking. I don't see anything that looks like it.
I can't save all of you.
She didn't tell me.
Maybe we go up ahead and we look for something. Okay. Oh, RPG! Here we go. There it is. We just have to go in here. Nice. Okay.
Daisy, we're coming home.
She didn't tell me she was 17.
Rah. Wait, the walls?
Look at my ammo.
Oh, I have
What am I
to.
supposed to do?
Oh! Yo! Yo! Rah. Rah. Hell yeah, brother.
She didn't tell me she was 17.
Am I out of bullets? Rah. Oh my god! Okay, okay. You gotta get back in the... Oh, we're not getting back in the tank. We're just here to break through. I'm tweeting. I'm literally in war and I'm tweeting.
I can't save all of you.
Rah! Oh! Yeah! I can't burn down the flag. Come on. Come on.
Fire content, bro.
Okay. Okay. Ready. Oh. This is insane.
Look at my ammo. What am I supposed to do?
Oh god. Rah! Oh, I missed. I missed. You guys, lock in. Rah! Come on.
Shit, that was the content we needed, dude. Ugh, what the hell is that? Fuck, I think we pissed them off, dude. Guys,
What
I'm pretty sure those are nukes about to be
is-
launched. We gotta stop them.
ICPMs?
1v1 me, pussy!
Bruh, no shot. Is that PVC?
Let's end this whole America-Canada war right about now! Fight me, pussy!
Shit, Shit. What do I do, chat?
No!
I could save the country right now, but 1v1ing PVC would be fucking content, dude.
What do we do? You know what you must do, kid. New objective. Do we stop the nukes or do we fight XQC? 1v1! It's what we must do. I know what must be done. I'm on my way. Wait, that's it? Wait, I died! I died and I somehow went to heaven. Oh my god, I died!
Caden Brittley, your time has come.
I am dead?
Bro, what the fuck happened? I was just about to become the biggest streamer ever. I was about to stream peak. I need to go back.
I'm afraid not. The breath you drew for 18 years has ended, my child. You have died.
Address chat. We live from heaven stream. Address
Yo,
chat.
chat, am I still live? I fucking died. Someone tell me you guys got a clip of it at least. Link it. I want to see.
You will reflect upon much more than your death, my child. Before I decide whether you are worthy for the kingdom of heaven, you must reflect on your life and be judged.
I'm confident.
Hey, bro, light work. On God,
On you?
I was always wholesome as fuck.
As fuck.
You will account for your choices, every word, every deed, and you will help me understand why. Because from where I stand, you have a lot of explaining to do, Caden.
Are we in trouble?
We will begin at the start of your streaming career. Much is revealed in how one treats the mother who bore him.
Oh shit.
When your mother confronted you about your drone and you took your words too far, you chose to double down instead of giving her the apology she deserved.
Take accountability. We gotta take accountability here, right? Or do we give an what do we... I want to see what it's like if he even tries to take accountability. Straight to hell.
Nah, you right, bro. I was mad disrespectful to her. My bad for real.
I can't say sorry. He doesn't have the capacity to apologize.
Then began your antics out in your humble town of Maplewood. There, you met a child in front of a hoarder's home, helpless and desperate.
I think I helped her.
Whether it was for selfish intentions or otherwise, you helped her and confronted her abusive father. Giving hand and voice to the helpless is an admirable endeavor.
Yes. Do I admit it was for content? I don't want to lie. I'm...
Bruh, it ain't that deep. I just needed content. And bruh, Ass Man Mold was content.
Of course, this was only one of many actions you took in Maplewood.
Oh god.
In the
We're being
Cocoon Furniture
judged.
Store, you altered the course of 3 hearts entwined. Though you had a choice between 2 men for the generational Riz assist, you decided to help Steven, the young wolf. As a result, he earned admiration and confidence. In this case, your impact was a positive.
Wait, I did the right thing. Shout out Steven.
Hey, hell yeah. Shout out my boy Steven. He's a soldier now.
Your definition of helping others has proven to be quite remarkable.
Thank you. Remarkable in a good way, right?
You put yourself in the middle of a rivalry between 2 competing grocers.
Yeah.
One a massive corporate giant and the other a struggling small
Yeah, I did the right
business.
thing there.
In the end, you helped the humble Maplewood market and revealed the nature of Food Hub, a corporation steeped in bigotry, intent on destroying the hard work of others.
So I get the heaven pass, right? Right?
But the moment that revealed your true nature above all others was when you encountered the man tied up in the basement.
Yeah, I helped him for content, but like I helped him, right? So I'm still
Though at
valid.
first you were excited to use him for content, you did help him make it out alive in a timely manner.
Oh my god, did you hear that, chat?
Sorry I couldn't stream that dungeon content longer, chat. It was fire, but that dude had to come first. No homo.
But that was only the beginning of your deeds, Caden Brentley. After your success at TwingeCon, you moved to Los Angeles to continue your antics.
Ask him to not no. Oh God, I was in such. Oh, I did so good, and now I'm so cooked. I'm so good. I'm not gonna interrupt God.
Hey, nah, you don't gotta be doing all that. Let's just skip the rest of the file and let's get me into heaven. I didn't really do anything recently anyway.
Yeah, I haven't done anything.
These final chapters represent you as who you are more than anything
Oh,
else, Caden.
Oh,
Upon
no.
these final acts, your worthiness hinges.
I'm so yucked.
Now explain your actions. For as all-knowing as I am, I cannot myself understand what compels you to do the things you do. You turn the Fuse and online TV houses against each other, marring a friendship, killing innocents, and ruining the life of the young Michael Eves. Why?
I didn't do. I didn't fire off the vapor gun. Should we be honest? Okay, we'll be honest.
Bro, I don't know. It was funny. Chow was eating that shit up.
It has been made very apparent that you do not stop to think about the consequences of your deeds.
Oh God.
When you learned about Donnie Somali's reign of terror at the Japanese restaurant, you chose to follow in his footsteps, mocking and disrespecting cultures. And for what?
For the bit, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't justify that.
Sorry? Didn't know it was that deep.
It's as much when you choose not to idolize the paragons of selflessness and purity, instead emulating the wretched and the shameless.
It's for the views, okay? For the ad rev.
Of all the things you did in Los Angeles, this baffles me the most. Reckless and distracted driving, leading to the near death of an innocent man and so many others.
Oh no, my distracted driving in the McLaren. Whoa, oh God, oh God,
No one died, dude. The worst thing that happened was my drone almost being broken. Thank you, it wasn't.
Our boy is cooked. It's so over for him.
After meeting your goal in Los Angeles, you interviewed the President of the United States. And though you are not directly responsible for Canada's indignation, you actively intended to instigate a war. Jesus, why?
To mock Caden Ross. That was our genuine intent.
Ho on Caden Ross, bro. Come on.
Hoeing
you know what it's
on
like to have
him?
an arch nemesis type shit. You got Satan.
And then came the actual war in Canada. You freed a prisoner to sneak out, endangering your own men. Not only that, you killed just for the fun of it.
No, I was fighting for my country. I was.
Nah, that was Gerard. I was doing it for the content, not for fun. My viewers wanted to see some action, bro.
And after wreaking havoc on the battlefield against official military supervision, you had a choice to make. Stopping a nuclear war that would kill millions,
Oh God,
or fighting a streamer.
This is my nail in the coffin. It's so over. I'm done. This is. If everything else I did was bad before, like, this is the worst. Like, I could have done everything right before, but because I made this decision, I'm going to hell. I'm so good.
And is it any surprise that you died on your way to fight PBC? It's almost as if the universe decided to punish you then and there.
Paul, ask for spoilers.
So, did someone avenge me? Or were my teammates useless as usual?
How about you ask something more important? Like whether the nukes went off and killed millions? The answer's yes, by the way. There's far too much here for me to excuse, and these were merely the highlights. Only I know what else you've done. For that, you will not be allowed entry into my kingdom.
We've been taken out of heaven! No! Protest.
Bro, fuck this rigged bullshit. I didn't have a choice for most of this. I had to do it to farm the viewers.
Yeah, it was involuntary. I was simply being swayed by the algorithm and what rewards viewership. I didn't have any control over this. I'm basically just a cog in a wheel, you know? I don't have any control over the kind of content I procure and what impact it has on society. I shouldn't have to have the responsibility of having any oversight over the moral implications of my content because I just need to get the bills paid and that matters. And my reputation matters far more than long-term consequences to other people, right? Everybody, hell stream soon. Right?
No one told you to start playing this perverted game of clout chasing, Caden.
Oh god, I am frozen.
Everything
My bad.
you've done has led you here, and now it will send you away
Thank
from
you.
here.
I'll do anything, bro. I'll stop streaming forever. Please just let me in. I don't even like my chat.
No!
Goodbye.
No! We deserve this.
Ow! God! Ah!
Wakey, wakey, little stream.
No!
I just got back. WTF is this?
Oh my god, why is Satan kinda... Why is Satan kinda... Wait, the chat's saying the same thing! Wait, the chat's saying the same thing. They're into him too.
Well, look who it is. Caden Brentley. How long I have waited to finally meet
Oh
you.
god.
From the day you picked up that drone,
It was a joke. Come on, chat. It was a joke.
Eventually.
Mock him.
I was 17, bro. Why were you wanting to meet up with me? Why is everyone trying to groom me?
No, little streamer.
Wait, who's
Your
that?
fate is much worse than that. Today begins your eternity of suffering and damnation.
Address your chat.
Chat, I think I'm cooked.
Cooked, grilled, broiled, roasted alive. All that and more until the end of time. First, we'll so you can feel every last nerve of yours bursting.
Or farm.
I don't even care, bro. This is supposed to be the torture I'm supposed to be pressed about?
Barely the appetizer that was. You all underestimate the pain that's to come. Let's see how far.
Wait, I'm
we
still
can
gaining
stretch
viewers.
this.
Oh! I'm getting stretched out. Holy moly. Wait, don't clip that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. My bad. I mean, I was literally getting stretched. And then... Sorry. Address your chat.
What the fuck, chat? Why am I getting viewers for this shit? Bunch of hate-watching ass hoes.
They're finally seeing what they and I have wanted for so long.
He's
You're
mocking
getting what you
us.
deserve.
He's gonna probe us with his pitchfork.
We're only starting.
Ah! I'm literally getting... Oh, shit. It looks like a huge butt plug, dude. Oh my god. Address chat.
You guys liking this shit, huh? Yeah, laugh it up. I'm a fucking lol cow, whatever.
Best content ever.
It's more fun than I could have imagined. Only torturing Jack Doherty could entertain me as much as
Chat,
this.
who's this?
How I've yearned to watch your skin
Yo, I'm past 1
bubble in
million
the
CCVs. W in the chat. I'm past 1 million. Guys, I'm winning. I'm literally winning. I can die happy now. I mean, I literally am dead, but now I can actually die happy now. Yo, Pog, I made it. I made it, Mom. I made it. I'm the biggest streamer ever. Ask him to keep going. Keep going.
Holy shit, this is actually farming. Do that one again. Chat liked it.
What? Careful what you ask for, boy. You have no idea how much worse it can
Yeah, but
get.
the worse it gets, the more views I get. W.
Burn, little streamer.
Oh my god, I'm at 2 million! 2.2! 2.25! Capitalize.
Whoa, holy shit. This is gonna be forever? This is like an infinite viewer farm. Let's go again, bro.
A gang, bro. Hit me up.
Yo, Ankh, keep going. These guys got a slip-slop attention span. I don't want to lose these new viewers.
Oh my god.
Do you not understand your fate, boy? This is forever.
Yeah, and I'm a content
There
creator
is
forever.
nothing and no one to share joy with.
Hell yeah.
Pain is all you will know.
But I gained viewership. W.
Now,
+6 million! Aww. Dude, I got 8 million! 8 million viewers! Holy crap!
Oh, holy shit. This gotta be a record or something. I don't even regret fumbling the PVC fight now.
No!
Oh!
Yes! These are the most excruciating things you can experience! The only thing you should possibly be doing is begging for its end!
Go. Do I ask him to go harder? Or do I ask him to speed up? I don't know, chat. I don't know which one I'm feeling. One? Okay, go harder.
This is so fucked, bro. I only got that many views for that. Yo, Satan, go harder, Unc.
How much longer must I go until you understand that your viewers mean nothing?
But attention's everything. I just want to be loved.
Nothing with them. Nothing.
But they're watching. They know me.
No collabs to have. No fine shit to crack. Only pure misery for you to experience alone.
I'm dying.
Forever.
Correct him.
Who the fuck cares, bro? I'm Hikey, the biggest streamer ever now. This is all I've ever wanted.
True.
This isn't hell for you. Hell for you is irrelevance. No.
No, wait! Wait, keep me here. No, I don't want to go to heaven. I don't want to go to heaven. I want my viewers. I want to be a streamer forever, too. No, please, no.
He's never known what's right anyway. The only punishment appropriate for you is to take your viewers
Not my
away.
viewers. Not my viewers. No.
Fuck does that mean? You can't do that, bro. They want to watch
Yeah,
me.
you can't take away my drone. My drone is everything. And it makes them happy, so you should let them watch it.
I've got just the punishment for you, Caden. I will send you back in time to the beginning when you had 0 viewers. A cloutless, viewerless purgatory.
No.
But rest assured,
No.
I'll let you keep all your memories. You can only truly suffer if you remember what you've lost.
I'm not begging no baldy.
That is dead ass stupid. I'll just grind my way back easy with all the knowledge I have about
That's
the
actually
future
true.
and shit. Become a fortune teller streamer type shit.
Yeah, I could like literally become a billionaire off Bitcoin if you did that to me. I wouldn't even need to become a streamer anymore.
I wouldn't make it that easy. Yes, you'll remember everything, Caden. But every time you try to open your mouth to speak of what you know,
No.
you'll find it impossible.
No, he's taking away my ability to yap. No, I can't not yap.
You'll try, and you'll try, and wonder why you can't say the words you want to say, watching helplessly from the back of your mind as your body roams the earth.
Wait, I'm gonna be like a captive passenger in my subconscious, watching everything happen, but not
Your
understanding anything.
existence will be reduced to screaming inside the prison
No.
of your own mind.
No.
With not a soul to hear.
No, I'm losing viewers.
No viewers. That is your hell.
I have to say goodbye to chat. If that's the way that things must be, I have to say goodbye to them.
Well, chat, I hope you enjoyed your stay. Looks like I'm about to fall off harder than Ninja.
He's so nonchalant.
I knew this be fun.
No. No!
Okay. On God, chat. On God, chat. Calm down here now. Streaming forever, chat. In the past, you had to get.
Oh, fuck.
Insane. I don't know what to say.
Mic test. Mic test.
Yo.
Oh, hell no. I'm the president.
Yo.
I'm the face of this country. I'm who they fear.
He sounds sick.
Caden Ross, the president just declared war on my stream. Beat that shit, bitch.
That's so stupid.
Oh, that's so cute. W
What the hell
game.
is the dude? No, I can't say that shit. What the fuck?
That's how I feel about half this game.
Don't get me started on those damn gays.
Ah! What the fuck happened to my Taboo? That's a limited edition Twinge one.
Jolene? No, I want to like stutter it. Jolene, you're my mommy. Zigzag.
Okay, and then the singing version.
God damn, I had to sing this shit, bro.
They better have paid him like $20 per line.
Jolene, you're my
Aww.
mommy.
Imagine hiring all these people with these
Yeah, but
beautiful
what?
voices and
Stop
making them
speaking
say this
that foreign
shit.
language. This is America. That's what you get for filming porno of me. I'll show you crazy, you goddamn commies.
Oh no, it's him!
USA!
USA! USA!
On behalf of the Department of America, die! Stand down!
Crazy.
Stand down! For Cornwood!
That's so cute!
Remember what happened, Admiral? That is crazy! This shit is ridiculous! You need to fucking get this shit corrected right now! Caden Brentley! 1v1 me, pussy! Let's end this whole right now, dude! For America, Canada, war right the fuck now! Okay? Fight me, pussy!
He's so good! His impression is insane!
Roasted alive!
Yo!
I knew this be fun!
Yo, he's insane. He's impressive.
Give me my fucking hat.
Can you do it more insecure and like crushed and scared, almost fear?
Fuck, I need a new hat. My hair. I need a new hat. My hair. Don't look.
Please, just
Baldy.
move the camera out of my face. Hey, please. I'm asking nicely.
Bro, he's got like a whole studio and everything. That's insane. Whoa. What kind of microphone is that? It's so long and like thin and... Whoa!
He's making me scream! He's making
me for real. That's what I say.
He's making me scream! He's making me bleed!
Why is he moaning?
That's all we need, that's all we need, that's all we need. He's making me scream!
Wait, they recorded a custom song for this game. That's so cool.
We got it, here we go.
Aww. Is that it? Oh, I guess that's it. That's Content King. That's crazy. Oh my god, I can do a new game plus. I'm not gonna do that. I like the ending that I got very much. I am happy with that. Holy moly, what a game. I can't believe we finished that. That was insane. That felt like no time passed at all. I enjoyed it way too much. I'm so cancelled, dude. It's so over for me. That was a low-key really, really good game. I really, 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 really like that. It is too on the nose, but in terms of content, that was some really consumable stuff. I really, really enjoyed it. Oh, game of the year, like high key. Oh, so good. I think the only game I would go out on a limb, even though it's only mid-April. I would say that I don't think any game this year is gonna make me laugh as much as except maybe GTA 6. I don't know. I don't think there's going to be another game that can top the humor of this one for me. I think I like the humor in this game more than I like Dispatch. And that's really saying something. It's so sad. My brain brain is so rotted and cooked. This is the kind of stuff that makes me laugh. That actually was cinema. Holy moly. That was amazing. That was Content King. Thank you guys for watching me. Holy moly, we have a near 6-hour stream. Definitely did not feel like that. The time literally just flew by. I can't believe it. That was so good. I wasn't even expecting to be able to finish it today necessarily, but it was just really, really good. Well, Dispatch is about relationships. Hey. You're talking like I would not know anything about relationships and that I wouldn't be able to find it funny because I can't relate to them, which is objectively false because I get so much games. I'm so popular with the huzz. I riz everybody up. Bars. Straight facts. No cap. All facts, no printer. Yeah. Holy moly. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed that. Thank you guys for joining me today. I will be back tomorrow and we will play our spooky games. I think some of them that I have lined up are pretty funny as well, but I don't think they're as funny as this. We'll be there to get spooked together.
Checking to see if my young fish still alive.
Hey.
Boom.
Shut up! I am still alive and I'm not a sunfish. Shut up. Alright. Thank you so much. This game was hilarious. Thank you, developers and all the voice actors and all the musicians who worked on this game. Actually insane. And the artists. Crazy, crazy stuff. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I'll be back tomorrow. Join my Discord server. Follow me on Twitter. Haha. Self-plug, like, and subscribe. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go make my soup for dinner. Thank you so much for joining me again, you guys. Thank you. I love that. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And I will see you tomorrow, 12 p.m. PST. Earlier than today. Not late, hopefully. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone. Be well.